ɛnyɛ nokware sɛ wɔpɛ ngyinadu bi na wɔdze ayɛ ɔyɛkyerɛ na wɔdze ama wɔ party no ɛnyɛnyimnyam a na ɔno wɔmpɛ ngyinadu pɛpɛ bi megye sɛ kɛbɛma mi nkɛ bi ogyina nokware do ɛnyɛ ɛbɛka akɔyisam za ɔnsam fata ɛsɛ egu obi no ho fi na ɔbɛma ɛnyɛnyimnyam wɔ amanyɔ nti mesrɛ me nuanom NDC fo a wɔwɔ efutu dɛ yɛn efutu ipom wɔn a yɛkyerɛ abɔ wɔn ekwan biara nyi hɔ a ame kwame na meyɛ MP ana MCE Honorable Kasim Zubairu ana mpanyinfo bi bɛma ho kwan ma waton in fact Mineral Commission Chief Executive zabatu gode ɛhɔnom no wɔntɔne wɔrumbotu eguzi bia wɔ hɔ and ɔremma kwan so no bibi dam nsi nti mesrɛ me nuanom NDC fo dɛ wɔma no kɔr nyɛ adwuma na wɔngyae dɛ wɔbɛyɛ ɔyɛkyerɛ bi a wɔawonyim dɛ onyin gyina do damaze no ɔze basabasa na ɔze ba ɔmanim nti wɔnhyɛ ne nso mede ho nya ase nyame hyɛ wɔn
kawasem
no ni me pacha sem kawasem o te muafo mi Boakye kawasem o central na sawam kawasem 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 o te muafo mi Boakye kawasem o central na sawam kawasem 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 binu ni me pacha sem kawasem binu ni me pacha sem kawasem o te muafo mi Boakye kawasem o central na sawam kawasem 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 binu ni me pacha sem kawasem binu ni me pacha sem kawasem o te muafo mi Boakye kawasem o central na sawam kawasem 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 o te muafo mi Boakye kawasem o central na sawam kawasem kawasem
okay abusia
kawasem
ye mamu nyina chi ema mo akwaba e de ba Sompa da Adea today kawasem ye ko Ghana fa na nyina ne no makotwetwe enkomo e de enkomo e na ye ko aye ne motwetwe Ghana nsem ahodo e na etwaguo ebi ehia attention eso so ye boy homodena se ne ebetumi no na ehia oman no ne de atum o share fonini ni video ya me bomba mutie ya deputy majority leader of Ghana's parliament Honorable Afenyo Markin or awutu potem ena all kase sa eye demonstration a eye ekuo bi ye omutigu mountain so se wono ne mpanifo bi ahwe ama pa ya na omo ye aboakere festival a omo koche atwen no ne ade wo hodom no omo ton nti no omo mpene no o say propaganda yani ya na odi hu ya opase bibisa ekoso wo mo so chese omo information wo intel say empanimfo bi ebe se omo ton sa forest no na anya de ombe pinto winiba for ebe ofu papa a omatigu montene so na eno ana omabobo ko jan no ne ade anya agro womo nsem nyina ne se enya de ometena ho ama aboakere festival atena ho na nanom pensu mfie petepepe no enne na obi ba bepe ne ho anya ne ho nti bo ba be yes adwuma no enti wo hwe video ya wo mateagum e wo montene so enya agro yaw akwaba
awontam joso
na ho te sen
awrade adom
ye do ba de ase so ama de pachi ye Attorney General eye gofedame enso akọ court akwa appeal say 4 years 6 months custodial sentence edema galamse campaign Aisha wano okọ court to say court mfa bi nka ho na sa 4 years 6 months said the amano no whom say Ghana mbra does not take retrospective effect but the office said ebetimi aba say appeals court betimi share the veracity of the issue and the weight of Nema Aisha one the aye Aisha one Adea my Ghana Adea my Ghana you know it was so to me a day it was court akwa appeal sentence no also could be a police sentence. Ya na be a nipa no. Ya boatia no. And all call sega court no and dane no. Where the man no. Was a course a court to 5 years ni be peace. Not just a one from Pom. Boakye Yaya, you say.
Professor Kwabna from Pom.
4 years, 6 months in Usa. But I said, Ra, lawyer Tia, Deputy Attorney General. As you tell me, say, Nipani be antiasia, one would do for more pay. And Koma Aisha won 15 years because as at 2019, they did not have enough evidence to prosecute Aisha one on the basis of the law and they are amending. The law was maximum was 5 years. As at 2015, 2016. But 2019 it was amended. And that amendment on the mass over them 15 years and now 25 years. But the only court here 15 and 16 years 2015, 2016 and Aisha one. Almost prosecuted no pamo no our self Jakwabe Remu. And in 2019, 2020, no money evidence enough for me to in a court and prosecute no. And to in 2015, 2016, quite do on the born and on the Kodi and Assem. And also so them ran here 4 to 5 years. But Wako court.
Attorney General Godfrey Eboa da me won hwe you na be fo ba na nim so ade.
Ale.
Hwe ya ye de ne sa na 4 years no kura no nkrufo bi abe mama court say for humanitarian there why you releasing na fe fa ne nko China no nko dem ho China ho susu ne de ne si arupremu a wo kwa a se wiem Linda do ho se de ade na wo o si ye o mu gina ya ma ewiem afro ho na kweta enya wanwa ye de Aisha won atena arupremu se won kɔ no krom
okoyo
play na nyina ba bia yesi wasi wo wiem ho asafa play abesi Togo
afa kodi
Adelenda dosi esi wiem ho and wasi si wo kwa Johnson boy Ghana ya hu anika land of possibilities
na Martin Ebika midu akano or say as a matter of urgency Kisia Jabe must be impeached because the attack on the judiciary is needless. So to tell the name ya go court am money case because only name why no officer et say I said there o person ka your book is here Jabe di no obi adwane your book is here Jabe di na amfo and even the office of the special prosecutor, you work under the Attorney General.
Yes.
Until must say, you will malign and talk about the judiciary in such manner. Only he's calling for the removal of the special prosecutor. Now, unprotected the bench, the judicial branch. And yes, sir, the casa in the bedroom, maybe no, obedient to the image of the judiciary.
Akota Kisia Jabe ndi na kwa ete say unzi Yesu ano wako kanto kwa chene
na untimi nko
na untimi na ansa na wo kokonto kwa ne apata wa ya ujai wo se mekon ya ujai wo se mekon afa yesi kwai
ene kaya nkoko
na fo hwe kaya wo gina ho ya ade no untimi enti afa na asa wo pe patafo ba pata ni bia soso ma Kisia Jabe ndi no adwuma no untimi nye na untimi nye no ono so ofere so obe resign ejeniam de be ya keka meka na masem obufuo ma di motam maka ne ensese meka muzie ene ekura ene eyiwadi so hu ono adwuma no Kisia Jabe ontimi nya akonta.
Why would you say so to me?
Na akonta obi obetima ye adwuma hu no hu
onkasa
asi akwa we wonsiri wonkasa asenkwa asenkwa se commando
chukunuris
yes chukunuris
wonsiri
wonkasa asenkwa
onu no otumi ye moto arabes moto arabes just on the moto core reverse
awu da Kisia Jabe otimi nya adwuma no asema Martin Ebika midu eken akota special prosecutor hwe yesi ye wosi
no Martin Ebika midu no case back go di koko
akota o se ono no time no o se odikan odi asem ne bedan no a nye se odi bedan na no watam de akwa akoto court o ye investigation kakra
to prove whether a prima facie case can be established
so hu ba Kisia Jabe die hweda no o se MPP for akwa akoto aba fan constituencies odi amanfo pictures abatu to social media no so say yeah, so say wanted. They are wanted for the investigations bena between Saturday no moto abano edebesi Sunday edebesi Sunday anwumre na odu omo pictures beto abonte no eye hwemu na konta no waye akota ye police ID special prosecutor no eye so special say wo no ye hwe ni mu say case a wo be enter no na wa dance ye evidence enough nipa de nim se kon bia so bedem ente se ebia CID for na bia om the case akwakoto pending say a futuo from attorney general pending investigation ya the docket akwakoma attorney general who special prosecutor na de office ni ye create no eno ti ne ma investigators akonta ye ma no CID for so beka matinami duka se uye adwuma on office kwa na wo kwa akware a obe pese obe investigations afa oyere ho efia wo ko ware ene sa ne ma na se be ya corruption me foreign workers ne sa ne ma no it akota a special place it is deemed say before somebody case be court no more investigations kakra onto kisi aja be ne wo chechire de na say ne ye betima yi akota law school ne be ko bi kisi aja be nti me ko law school kisi aja be nti me ko law school akota
azate Akwaba na da so wo siri
ya ba ma say kisi aja be nti boko law school Obama kushia judges papa so bench.
My. So me ke bia mo munti me ke bia ma judges no.
On my media adansa me kan say Kiseja ben say wonya kokodu aba press conference. Na me ka say wa keka na dwan che judges no. Na judges kuru ya da so wo omuda so di omudwumadi. Na chief justice na mu kura nya na dwan say obeyi obi free asembia so ne de adwuma no me ka say ebe diama no. O some dem make say wonyai onu anfini pemunyai say da onu ato no honwom na reho to no kwadwom lamentation otuwie ye no na onu ase wonyai but me de mesusu say onyai na oman ye nka say oman panyin na adan kufuado sa office no wontwem na onyai isabe ya Ghana for ase ahohora la the dinu dosu office no
only office of the
because on my head nanado by prosecution why most of them NDC for nipa phobia no more when say him from senate ho ba bi and obey NCA and obey inherite abuga pele issue no these are the major penny say prosecution why and no yes special prosecutor na ye
attorney general
Colonel Adamu de say aglemedi na nye attorney special prosecutor na ye
attorney general
de na special prosecutor wa ye nti say kase office we ho ne enko so na say
for elections
special prosecutor
na the cases I ate one asem de nyina enye ayi ye to abadwabe
me bajo enye honko what nsa ko ka isusu fenisi professor Fempompo atin report so on no bomu tie ayi bisi mu nyina ho nsem
MPP ni bay na kisia jabe betim am achi no you see this is where sometimes we become very unfair to the former president Yaw. It was the former president John Dramani Mahama time and institute investigation Eddie Bassett any ayi back on the say Abuga Pele Kojina court former president John Mahama Oyi Loretta Sraj for conflict of interest
office
and rather they say Victoria just say onya 1 million yes wakoye interview say have you been corrupt before so as a human being or as John Mahama you crucify Oman Penny John Mahama fast forward said you see Oman Penny John Mahama tie and then the SCA you can corruption Obama John Mahama say Obama Kufuado say
some of them make us
Abba Ghana you see it is time one say ya Obama osuru chichi asewani and actually ever see so one kind of credit Abba
ye can we know ye can we na ashawan de no Oman kan kra asha de no
ashawan ma meet you
asha de no na no utie judge no can say senka wutumi a
ko man more
that means emra no ye man papa mama no hwe ye hu say we ni die obetimi asotwe obetimi de ama no mu amaja tumi say charges are more born reflective of 2015 and
2016. So why?
And you know, and some of the one I meant here because
why go for appeal?
Your children are no evidence, and I say a month for better than say 10 a current. A for in the Beditiano. Then I can how do you to media to need 20.
Probably the evidence of those people was not enough. I do not go for a children.
And Tina may can say, Omu may nyai. Mammy crying, you go for Roma, Yawama, Yamiada Roma, and the 18 dinner Kojina court. And the dinner aqua for 12 years. And the Esra or Omunyai, Omunyai, and you may be our man, a bit because on say. Ye can we nyina na no many penny bi din komo for simpanifo ni bi pa omo ka se asante ma menka no krancho NDC 42 galamsey they did match aluvia galamsey baby nsuo na NDC 4 no say no but nanado prince there forest reserves and ye wuram
asante
forest reserves
you need a forest commission officer
forest libo and the forest reserve na ye wuram no and I me na make I say corp no mama kan and na yesa ene ye corp conference na wa wo se won sase na wo se ho conference no oman se be emfaso be pa ni benya free so se oman no ye nsase na se ye for reserve
conference in the one kwa beche no ana wan ko benya 17 wo ko no
ade no benya se
uzakote wade bi wo no ma mere formality so say o say it say as a wan kwa
as like,
was signed an international idea, an international treaty which it will be. It's so called for
me see a damn real whoopa. Executive instrument basse. Forest. Yeah, 229 B. Yes. I know the Achimota Forest. I ya bohu by. Na diakano. Encrofo encroach dudunti no yentetema omo private developers individual hwade sami timi fie yaw na me dan me to me wall
obi encroach
na obi awura me wall num me wall wo ho watra me wall no esi dan ade ewo me fie no me se
o de batawo de no
kwa
wo se na me so wa ba ho ntini me fama no
na me santo wall from fa de wo wasie ni ho eye Ghana nkoa
enti no samra we
the few man pania so eye
enti o man
eno na Sir John omugo hwemu omu se na me se Sir John de no 5 acres no wo mu pa wo mu se nukuredie ne corruption matter ho a sa lands ho omu miemu ne enhwa wo mu a sa forest na aka na ye ka se nkrofo encroach no yenhwa wo mu a ye omu dia
o man se we de obeti yinyina ebeti ma se we emra ho
how do you say forest reserve se wo Ghana nyinara
ya tachi
o man pani a wo ko galamsey pa what did who say or say
putting the president on the line
or the presidency grab to line say ono no be dey yentu abama ne kro be ye no ono na forest reserves e wo Ghana nyina no by the time and next year onko ahwa ye nya ba kokra e wo Ghana ha no opa so kire say
tina na de ko si wo yi ha mankanso ase ni munim forest reserve ai da ho nipa bi akwuram mekudi ka kwagina bosume fra ka kire Ghana fo say nipa na mu wuram no na omunya illegal money na
forest reserve
okopedia room enunti na me mani agi enopay mama deputy majority leader no afenyo markings on say nipa bi aka say ne forest reserve bi ho no omukokoton ena obekire mu say enya no kre ye de na se say no kro enya no kro omo nanim nya den mo onsori nyina na weye na amanfo weye de omunye de kwawo obekọ no de sani bi na machire hwe afidro oman ye boka dua nnua pa wo memu nyina ne ye dua wia no for reserve
ya mekoya MC e wo kan university ya so be kaya ye dua nnua ne wia na de ya wo no ma anyini aye kama ye se ye fa bo ho ban ma ye nsase ena ye ntimi home oxygen no ye tregu because in the name now sir party apparatchiks are Ghana penifo mo party mo MPP for mapa woman say ensase omu wi ane asa bie microphone ma omo no ma betra ha no mo galamsey dachi wa owi anu afafo from say monko
the ema corp
so Nanado can never fight galamsey because why a bit weak when it comes to forest.
Enti
o man for no an egu he Mahama yinyame fa le kransie Major Mahama. It was that forest in 7 years amukobo ho ban. And didn't wo by. E ko wi ase report om ne by enya no de by. Ah obekai DC no ko olusu ni na yi wo ho. Okaka yes wa kasa ye because no be ewu. E wi ase ba say the timing was wrong, but the fact was the matter was that sabre no na bambo bi e also omukobo galamsey fo bi ho ban.
And your mind, they make cases to say, on say club meeting we see.
That's how we organize. Yeah,
on my club meeting, make the club meeting, the man club meeting on the man club meeting is very, very important. And they say, Omo kwa who near my air climate change. She no na say budget ni ready ye no man panyi kan say and I say finance minister go to just say carbon monoxide no nti ye ba beje ho to ye ba beje ho to ma Ghana ka bia be 200 cities anti asem na ye ka no enye sese bi o okay obi o use ka bia be 200 because of say
from next year
ozone layer
100 Ghana cities a year
ketwa 100 kese 100
obi 100
ketwa 1000 kese 1000
o twa 100
and ye be fa kese preko. C'est que soit 1000 na say. What? Que soit 1000 ya. Ya me fa que c'est preko.
Utu mutaya obe 200 Ghana.
Say na ucha road worth to change.
Ucha road worth to that. So what they are going to do is say insurance you are na say bia you the 50 be insurance. You the 50 so share. You are road worthy. Etu ye dey obe 200 Ghana. Adea nipa bonifo bi say yemfuo say yensase ama ozone layer said then a hotete climate change in so brilliant no o we we nyina wi a no ma be charge ye abro ne ba yi na menim be di 111 ye kwa ba.
Let's get ready. My name is Kwesinyant. In this region sports is all about Sompa sport
for the thousands in attendance and the millions.
Yewura na afei ensem a yensa ka ofie no ye de ho nsem ni na ye de to ya hwefo ne atifo no yen start emfa mfiri eye emma enso afcon eba so ye twanetia enso kan wafcon 2024 a etuja wo Morocco ne yenko na ye ndin komo enso emfa mfiri no a game back enso etimi todwa na Ghana fo ni na hwe animu se na nkuli ni betimi aba enso etimi na ma ye friend Ghana mom ankoba na sa nenso Ghana timanya qualification na yewura ma bibia enso ekoyi 5 years after send ye tinchan no ye timanya opportunity no enso etima qualify for man afcon na ye kwa kodinam enso Morocco na bibia enso etimi akoyi no ene sere no man enso esitia mere ho sem ni na enso e de eto ani enso e wodwumade ntimi behwe na mama we enso etimi atotum na bibia enso etimi aye kama wo na ye timi ahweso aye adwuma na bibia enso etimi akoyi ntie no ene sere no man enso esi e kwa ye de eto ani enso e wodwumade ne na the we no enso si ko ya ema no ebo mo homode enso etimi didi din komo ma coach a ye fe Nora Hoptel na enso etimi din ko ebehwe ne de omo enso hu nsensem na enso etimi aba na mo me start enfan free deputy captain for a man of football no or buy a friend Linda Ashon after say Ghana enso etimi nya qualification into the WAF corner or ban enso din komo enso etimi to ye ne yanko nti someone deputy captain Linda Ashon enso edeto yanim
to us because we've been away for the AFCON for almost 5 years now, so it's a great achievement. It's good. She said we are a young team. They are upcoming, so we're going to improve on every aspect of the game, and we look forward to the AFCON, and we are ready.
No, someone deputy captain Lende Sean and so the two giant who 79 and so at a tia chef for near tea for the martyrs and Udin come after saying no Martin and Chen and so at me Akye Abia or no answer the science and seminal and so the two then after the game no not a hop to no and your head coach Adama Black Queens no answer to me din come after the qualification no and so to me about my friend Ghana.
Performance today is closed because we qualified. Ghana is back on the AFCON. And we are hungry and willing to play there, and I think a lot of players deserve it. They play some very long time for the Queens, some maybe for some it's the last AFCON. We have some young players, for them it's the first time. So in general we have a very young squad. Need to develop and work and continue our mission Volta. I'm proud of this year. We won out of 10 games, and I think we can have a nice Christmas performance.
No, and someone or a hop to answer the two jar or the did come off that's a qualification that's what me ba and my friend Ghana Bibia and so it me going to her way a Namibia for go no more sense to the Tiaganum and Kwankusiagama Ghana so it ma qualify from WAFCON 2024 Bibia and so bit makuye them name after game you was not a hop to A2 o super the way na nimesia ya timu ze enya dia isu enso fatama me no na me so isu kra de e fata obi na ho adwuma ba bebo ene the way na ma enso ti akode ama na ese isu na ene sese ne tima na mom se o hwa ne record since o baaye enso be ginam as head coach ene ma Ghana ye ntim na ya de a eso ani papa o chi beni na ne o we ka miensa o ma ntimi antibi san so na Senegal so hwo miensa e ma Senegal antimi anto san betina ha esan twa Senegal ka ba ku biem san so na Guinea eje miensa o Ghana nsan no Guinea san je ka nan e o Ghana nsan no biem Ghana che Rwanda hye ne kanso o mo enso antimi ante e wa awewu ye san betina afie hye o mu enum Ghana ne Benin e wa awewu ye hye o miensa be hye o mu mienu e wo fie san so na Ghana na Namibia ye hye o miensa wo fie e no mo hye baako ye komwo o mo hye baako nenso antimi ankwankosi aganisa wo hwe de wi anoma enso si kopa na sense ma me ne be fa team no o games a wabo any goals a wa send goals a wa continue wins a wanya e kamia kire ze o ma me no enso e bo adwuma e de my Black Queens na bibia enso etim ekoye pa enso etim ne my team na bibia enso ekoye na yebo game no Namibia ne Ghana no on se na game ne live enso won tin time so Facebook ne Twitter ne ade no obi ko post ade bi e de to wa se hwe na won so timi kan bi game ne course na no e na branch e friend ye Jonathan Alugum Edin saying because to Janessa no can say the Namibian coach should not make a mistake and substitute the number 5. She's the reason I'm watching this match. Now so here or no game ne course no or no enso nya side attraction mi o ha or nti or ti game no ho wo bana ni ko homa pa onye na agyen say obosara ko nam say number 5 no o gidie so no nti e na o ha game ne no ene nsam ka create mi course am de to anim enso e wo dwumade na se di ma ho football ho nkomode a ye ntimi nko ni entwo wura fa ni juicy bazigi enso enfa no no enso atimi di nkomo e de afa Ghana qualify for WAFCON 2024 no yenko ye nti ensam a ono enso e de to dwa.
It's early days yet. Because if you are not feeling like the team for 4. Because playing qualifiers is different from playing a tournament. Because qualifiers in there, you can change players at any time, call player, drop this player, call this player, drop this player. But if we do tournament now, or specific, you're more quota. This number of players nowadays for. From there, no, we'll tell on the same job. And to win, I'm building team not around. And we will say American. And the tournament is different. For now, not there. I think it's early days yet. That's possible to be me. But I mean, per se, the pressure between I almost say a quack. I feel now, Obagina home now. I got nothing. No, I share of one of they have the character to play tournament or big matches. No, they are foul.
No. Aye Yusuf Bazigi na hotel en gas odin komo fa se Ghana betimi agana se Ghana ntimanyi no odin komo enso e dia fa ne hwe teams a omo enso timanya akwanya omo enso timanya qualify Morocco anya qualification a eye oba beginam 2024 AFCON no sanso na eye South Africa, Botswana, DR Congo, Tanzania, Senegal, Algeria, Tunisia, Mali, Nigeria, Zambia na afei o my konkron Ghana yenso yetimi qualify for the first time in 5 years ye rom na fiako enso yetimi kwakusi akan enso ho no nsam kakra eno enso free ho ba me eto anim chane enso se game no enso ebeba so Morocco 2024 eno nsam kakra enso free ho ba me eto anim enso dwumade enso ne national call up nam ne de yenim komo enso abranche fe no fata won so sina kan de matima fe no medema boboku na abranche no enso atimi din komo e de afa blasters call up no enso timi yan no yenko ni entie nsima abranche no e de tudwa
with time no one kasa no me na one kasa because already know they are your teammates they will say I mean it's not say so feeling in there I mean is there like your flow national camp now one kasa we need to
no ne Samuel branch FN Fatal Hamidu enso de tuja after so nya call up e de wura mu yam blasters no de sans ensem no enso e tuja na o pania o kasa e de ma tima FN media ma Patrick Akoto ono enso atimi din komo e de fa branch FN so a nya call up e de call blaster na fa branch FN Fatal Hamidu o din komo enso de form ho
so we available so what they no onya 3 no kada accumulation CAF revise no first no ka ko do group stage it trap cars no but CAF that be in the competition na started it no was several we obe available Hamidu dey na medical grounds for that they need to mean check because na be na the Black Stars because your medical team no are in constant touch with the Black Stars technical team because about Black Star material or Black Star player it I think that recommendation came from the national team say using him will be a problem for us and of course but it shows here what depth in quality so I available so
I know and some more Patrick Akoto ono ne kasa and my team friend Mediama na ochechim dintia the last game Mediama and belus that boy no and ranche mi enso entimensi aka no ochechim say na ba ko yalo card na ba ko enso on medical grounds or den sensem na no enso atimi dia to ma won so watimi hu say na man enso si ko Mediama enso boy yanga yanko ni hwe yanga fo no mo enso atimi touch it down no utimi de wi anoma enso si ko yes omo enso atimi attach down for enso atimi abakrom konko ne nkrofo enso atimi awuram e Ghana ha omo enso na ebo mbehe so metimi anya positive results enso de tiame de man enso eno de ye pagu enso wo Yesu dim ye be wo ye homoden na medem enso atimi dinkunim enso e okrom he no ena nsem kakefo na wo get fit na say ena sitie nyampa da fiada ena game enso e bas na wo he sika betimi atia ansa na watimi akwa game ni bi eno enso hu nsensem no say ena sitie Mediama enso ne young African na ebo say ne sitie 10 Ghana cedis eno enso wo ha betimi atia akwa game ni bi sanso ena betimi atia 20 Ghana cedis enso akwa game ni bi na afei 100 Ghana cedis no ena ya na otis wo tia 100 Ghana cedis ni bi akọ ha no enso betimi akoyi pada ma bi go de obadwodwo ho na bibia enso atimi ahye kama pa ntie 10 20 100 na bibia enso atimi akoyi no ne nsam kakra free hoba me de eto ni me enso ewo dwumade ne so jemfiri sansense nim na afei yenwuram ewo ye Ghana Premier League ne ho nsensem na NASCO Player of the Month of November enso atimi aba emrantie eye enan empanifo enso atimi yi omo se omo ne ebeto omo so aba ne say ne sitie Isaac Mintasina kan edema Adriana Football Club abrantie no in the month of November about 4 games ono enso atimi bo 308 minutes e share 4 goals nya 2 man of the match awards abrantie fe Hamza Isasina kan edema Accra has for in the month of November about 6 games ono enso atimi bo 540 minutes o share goals ne 9 and afi NASCO man of the match no ono enso antimi anye ba akokra o guest no kra enso about 5 matches in the month of November about 450 minutes o share 3 goals na afi o je 3 man of the match awards Razak Simpson is na kind of Nations FC about 3 matches in the month of November na afi about 270 minutes or share 1 goal or no answer the free ba me air to him. Coaches of the month of November nominees in the same city Christopher Enin Dine Juma at the match me friend Brekum Chelsea Manchester 5 on your wins 4 or no answer with me draw back 1 Lusubi share 6 goals concede 1 Sansna Nuruddin Amadou Dine Juma at the match Samatis or no answer about 5 games we win Miansa about draw back Lusu back share 6 goals and concede 2 Kasim or Kanse Mengel and about 5 games we win 4 one more draw Elusu Bako or share 7 goals and a concede 1 goal. Sounds na Tanko Ibrahim for Accra Lions ball 5 games. O wini Miansa draw Bako one Lusubi sa enso no share goals no enso ne share num enso the chance way and empany for it may you almost say coaches of the month no enso betimi akone atom so aba na bibia enso atimi akoyie pa enso atimi da me no and then some kakra fi hoba me the air to anim enso ewo dwumade no na me to aso dia memfuma ni ntirem enso ewo eye babiani na me din ko kakra ba bia ne report e free oba according to your report ono enso di ne djuma e wo ba bia ne kirem se se owura mo ba bia ni a nyima mu na atu ne se hwie gu yanso bi kom gidi se coach e fe ne sama board no matima sport no wota wo gidi se enche empempe betima confirm ne so ono ene head coach ene ma team a ye fe no eye ba bia ni goals na dentia mo mani agene so mo say wa bra na owura mo house of folk akwa gili nda mo no okono na sia na house of folk season na sia ya se na no man ko yie bi sa okoe no pa na se house of folk enso team G league ntom gidi so oba bibia betima sesa ama no ma enso team ko yie pa enso team da mo no ne sem ka kefro be che United enso once the last 2 home games o about draw the last 2 away games o ma win no and a players in their catch management so o mo sere wo mo o mo supporters ne nkasa no mo ba fi no mo game a aya na atem de no doors no do tia na ma pressure kakra enso team bombs do mo sere wo mo so mo ba fi a omun tietia breaking famo no metima koso awe bia enso tima koyi e da mo no ne nsem ye bobo anu ofia ene ye de bae amano ne nsem no e to aso da mamo
ora sida kasia ko fa ma Ricardo Vaz wa bono mo dia ne no wetimi e de ne ma toto na kwa mo dia fisem na to aso etimi e dia ma no ne nkomo e ba ababe ramo etimi e dia ma dia do ni echemo NBA ne ma ya de dia in season tournament no ya boy timi e de ramo the quarter final stage aboa e ma ne ma de ye pre timi e de ma na no pay result ye modern record Milwaukee Bucks omo ejom na so etimi bomode basket 142 and afi no 122 call edema New York Knicks and to no eda yepa etimi edema na game no sere niema esia kwa no to ya ina brantier friend Giannis Antetokounmpo sign baba bre na tie ni bi meboa e ma niema ko yepa etimi edema no nya 35 point ebomode etimi nya 8 rebound ebomode assist no otimi enya 10 afi still no obomode etimi enya free aboa amomo etimi advance ya in season tournament no omo eromo the semi final na hihye no etimi akoye kama panso no etimi ede amomo a yeri mu nkomo no enso erom na aboa ma bibia akoye kama so etimi era mana Ricardo mame time na Giannis Antetokounmpo game no bomo de etimi ende ye na run movement ne niema na odi erom na echezampa entoto no aromu kama pa etimi era mana ni na mo no eboa na bibia so no etimi ada yera manizanze no ba baba be ejuma boa ema Milwaukee Bucks no hihye no ekoye pretimi ede emom to join ya onse Giannis Antetokounmpo na ne no wo bomodin erom eboa ema na madeda ye pretimi era another game etimi erom the quarter final no eno se LA Lakers omo ejom na so eni fiane science na de call ekokoko bra ne ba na wi no na ne no LA ejom na so 106 akọ edi amom na 103 akọ etimi era masanse no so no oro ani chema King LeBron James ekoko na dia no na LeBron o sere niema esia tie pa de obomode enya 31 point assist no otimi enya 11 na face no obomode rebound no otimi enya 8 eboa ema na madeda ye pretimi ema na after the game no odidi nkomo akra odi nkomo ni nyina no obomode sign autograph no etimi era ma fans no se neni age se no makonkodi a in season tournament no amoko akobo semi final.
Performance by AD and our bench was amazing today. It's great to have that length, that youth, and we needed it, especially against, Book and KD, two of the greats. We needed it. Good time win.
Atia no ye command old one HMA Natchez King James Apo Moderia to your boy Mania Makoye Pretimier Montine Omo Erama semi-final no Orwani Chomo Las Vegas Asenebeko Milwaukee Bats Ebe Jomana Sonomo and Indiana Passes Eddie Abonina Feli Lakers Soro Ebe Jomana Sonomo and Itima ye from New Orleans Pelicans Eddie Abonina Boa Nantutiana Kuyipa Etimiera Momon Ransono Orwani Chomo Ewo Euro League basketballer Koswero Pumpatamona Etimiera Real Madrid for Jomana so many Olympiacos on basketball team no and the brain Bana we no na 77 ako Etimiera Real Madrid 71 ako Etimiera Olympiacos on basketball team no over se mun komono esiatia niama ne ro no mame Madrid players na nra na cheso mo bo modia ye siu ntu joine na over se ne nemesi kwa fili kakra se no mo basketball team na after se niama edida year mo mo bo modia etimie ye no ye Real Madrid na when HMO basketball team no apomodin edijuma ebuana ne madayepa etimi edemo mamun komono ye di Eromin Association Football yambo bobo so etimi afama brand so no ano permitted se former Barcelona mo play obujuma etimi erema Aston Villa ni di no ye friend Cremont Longley report no HSC ne Bayern for no edidi din komo se be ya en consider number emamber backup etimi afama mo na mpoa emane manko ye pre etimi afama mo already no Matthias Delete Epra and no switch no bonus sound no etimi pranti on be here say chi on bebo mode no ma build bibia ebebo na name rante no ye ntimi enfie omonte yesinde no ye wrestle longle omo sabe kan wa baba be romo eni omo etimi ayejuma na Granada so na metete se Bayern for no eni omo akobenkro ma 50 million euros se na eko e de ma Granada boboko no Spain ni akwara reswa ye friend Beyond Zaragoza e bana wa baba jama bojuma etimi era mapan ye se hihye ne cheze obekrokro ma June 2024 na deal no aye valida omo bomode ne yede na lonitima ye from Granada 1 year after no na ni mu amia no aba be join omo ne omo soro abo ejuma na boana tutu no akoye etimiera momo na me confirm ye so Luis Suarez ejuma ba eba be no Brazil na ko etimiera pimtini ofimo Grammy oboboko no omaso no akọ ejuma foforo ne no e na nra ne ma di video bi aba be to abonte a aseda no de ma Luis Suarez o se afi ba ko a okokoko di ni Chrome Brazil no ojiri se wakọ ye ejuma pa ye ejuma den etimiera ma Grammy oboboko ruti no obona baso na ojiri se bebi oram no obesi akona wakọ ejuma na aboa amane ma deda din pa edi kiaka se ye Inter Miami boboko no akọ join omo ne omo ye ejuma nte no ye che se 1 year contract na ne no oni omo etimi assign a enche ni teammate no ebiti se hodi aba and afi so no branti a ye friend Sergio Busquets and no nanche no ebiti se Leo Messi a emre bi etwa oni omo bo ejuma Barcelona no oni omo ana akọ hio na aboa na ntutu na akọ ye kama pan so no etimi era ma no ntu romo Luis Suarez so na so ye adiaba ababa beto dwano pe no me di eromo so no etimi era ma na France kakra era no pe metete se asi Kylian Mbappe niama de dadia January 1st 2024 Madrid for babo mode no officially omo de omo offer na akọ to ne na so zombe pese niama de dadia season 2024-2025 no omo me join the club no ne omo entimi ambo ejuma so omo de mana omo mo ne ma me no 15 days so omo bra e ma me respond so omo nya respond papa bia omo ja brand na chidi enti no e de aba nya ba beto dwa ye di ewra metimi era manza no contract no e ba na wie sa no Ramo January o wa kwanya se team bi opebia no one omo ebetimi edidi din komo enti no so no e de aba ba be Ramo esimlan for e che so omo din da che omo giri ze ne be din se Bayern for no ene Thomas Muller be transfer na contract no ye timi extend na mo ne ba no so omo hwe na nkomodide na wie pe na ne ma de dem a omo be person omo so no ebetimi nya Thomas Muller as a free agent na next season no wa baba be join omo ne omo so no etimi abojuana na boama ne ma koyi pa etimi era momo no Real Madrid aso no wo body brebas no training no etimi akoso na ne okwa Luka Modric pra afe no recover Adagulo no so pra afe no recover mamienu no ebomo de etimi train wo pitch no so a o join na video na tumu zampa enkakrakra encha kwada ne beba Luka Modric so no encho beba na wa baba jama bojuma etimi era ma club no na Ricardo Mame Kutua ene good news said mama de support ni na se Kutua ashase abo na yeto na wache enche Kutua beba na wa baba be jama bojuma etimi era ma club from Real Madrid ya no kra cheze waka e de ache Madrid for ne se Euro 2024 no enya de so no ebetimi a join the Belgian national team no omako akako bojuma na concentration no ebe solely on Real Madrid na boa ama ne ma da yepa etimi era mo no mo training ground so no body beba so no Jude Bellingham e promote an award okokoji ye no golden boy award no or present here the man teammate no or from nyina so momra no muntimi antwa pitch ezanso jiri so mo support no e kan bi no wapomoden etimi akwa sa award na e boama hyehyɛ no koyie pa etimi era man no ntia no enso ye nkoma baba beto dwaro pe no ye di era etimi era man no Andre Lunye ena matize ne wasesa ne agency ni mo ye se prepare friend Jorge Mendes super agent na ne oye agent erema Andre Lunye ntia no e di aba beto dwaro mo se Madrid for no se modern mark ne boro omunya ne contract no be extend omo se boy na kan de ache Madrid for no se ne o extend a e branding so obenya more playing time to consider akwa mo baby a ojiri so ko obenya playing time na poa na ne career no etimi ewie pesto Alfonso Davies in common Madrid for ni di omo se omo ni se eye dandel eye den aboy no e be journey omo na 2024-2025 season no oni omo ba nya baba be ejuma na nanu no pa na me break here ma se Barcelona goalkeeper your friend Andre Mark ter Stegen goalkeeper ni pra o sciatica no ene yeso obeko netimi akwa surgery ama no ye didi onkoma etimi era chone Barca for no confirm say doctor your friend doctor Afshib Gangi ono ye rudu ani chemo France Potema doctor kesi obu ejuma pa omosi ono na bebo modena wetimi aye surgery na Barcelona doctors no ebe supervise ahun say the no Andre Mark ter Stegen surgery no ebe timi akora mun komo no omosi open kroya na ruani chemo Formula 1 abrantia your friend Kim Raikkonen e kokonye prano obomode ni surgery no nti obi a e ba ne se enye surgery na jeze ojana na so ye papa etie no ye de aba nya ba betodwa ano e de papa na Andre Mark ter Stegen e ko akwa fie no omosi ahwe Barcelona 2 to 3 months ne Ronald Araujo ene bebomode etimi captain team no e duwe sere nkomo no nesietie ene sere niama no esie kwa yesi Araujo na ne no obebomode na ne absence no wa captain team no na boa na ne makoye pa etimi era ma Barca na no na report ne bobere ba se Barca for no e consider se ebia ombefa goalkeeper bia mana ba nya ba be ram ne omo etimi aye juma na so no omo se Iñaki Peña ejuma na goalkeeper ne bone ade ano edin party no ombe consider na ne ono a ada post no ma boa nya ma ne ma de ye pa etimi edi amom ne enko ramo England kakra ndidi nkomo de anra orwani kokoko chimo the English Premier League ni ma ye jepene ema matches bi mo etimi rama na no edi ye papa na result a etimi record ye no Wolverhampton on set transfer mo e break back Burnley entimi ante and fe Luton so no e transfer shemiensa e ma Arsenal ekoko bo mekano e mako enanya na chese na no edi ye papa na no ye bo game ne kwanimu kakra 90+7 na Rice e bo mode etimi ekokonya the winning goal e bo man tutu ekọ ye pretimi era ma sana Ricardo Mame Arsenal players no after the game no na ehu time is that din koma akra na nkoma no say no bo mode erija
at the end this is the incredible thing about football, emotions and the moments that you live together with a lot of people, and it was a special night. Credit to Luton for the incredible atmosphere that they created, the way they played, the way they were coached. They made life really difficult for us, but we find a way to win, and the resilience and the character and the quality of the team showed, and how much we wanted. It was great.
Atiano ya commando wani chima pin perfect Mikel Arteta e bon mrante na baso na fe Luton Albion anase pono Luton Tom supporters na atmosphere mo e create mo na no edin papa ne matches no e berge penena etimi akoso na senete 7:30 no Brighton Nova Albion mo e bo Brentford Crystal Palace so ro e bo Bournemouth Fulham mo e be John Manasso no Nottingham Forest e abo ni na Sheffield United mo e bo Liverpool Aston Villa e be John Manasso ne Manchester City e di abo ni no 8:15 na game no e ram na Jose Pep Guardiola Salah still or would you say EPL no near Madrid the obesa bomodena jumadi no waje etimi resini naso
motivation is try to do it better, not for that situation. I said many times, sometimes it helps the decision, sometimes it's there, but I learned for where I come from that if you want to win something, you have to do it much better than the opponents. When you are level, always have the feeling that it's not going to happen, so you have to do much better, and this is what they have to do. Like try the few chances that we concede, then try to, to concede goals and try to play. my feeling today, we're going to win the Premier League. Today, if you ask me, we're going to win the Premier League. If you
Atiano ya command prepare pour modern Adea Akye Abia ne feeling no HSS ne ubisa no china bisa na obreka dia chose Manchester City beko akwakoji Premier League no big game no ebe ram 8:15 no Manchester United mo transne Chelsea edi apweni eba dabe ram ebe na ye didi dia on command apo amane makoye pera man of that game no paying friend Eric Ten Hag abomodin edi nkomo akra me baba be ram 9:30 na me de be ram etimi ramana Arsenal fans no na de ebo ba Chelsea Penny Berfriend Tomiyasu. Yes, in now when you pra Mikel Arteta, I confirm is Tomiyasu ni pra na wenya no almost anu den. Ethiopia for cinema be dead in pa. Etimiera ma boy no na boana ne makuyera ma no meniti no. Here from Premier College and Ebano Ababe Trust exactly 9:30. Here bebana Adea Akye Abia. Here the Ababe Trust here the amamo.
The ones that now from toothbrush no. Why and toothbrush no. You Ashford.
Nah, you deny Ashford dear. That's so evident no way.
Oh, that the evidence, babe. I don't need Ashford toothbrush.
Oh, sweetheart. Ashford toothbrushes no. You want different types. She abena de ya mokuhu. Ashford Princess. And now could you do so Ashford Galaxy. Would you na ira no so Ashford Evident. Media so Ashford Executive. And now media no so Ashford Friendly.
That Ashford toothbrush card.
My dear, Ashford toothbrushes are who do dear. Papa, moto. Me to me bow do me ye dani bia akwashisha ho. Ashford Prince, Ashford Princess, Ashford Friendly, Ashford Evident.
Ko ni bebo ja trada. Na dia mo de tumo ye no. Ye dia ma ekuna.
Na me ba. Na me say se ku. Na me say
say a book wine and train in a munkania and I want on swat and papa.
Hey, I don't want to say
property air conditioner no fantastic.
Daddy, I don't know to property and conditioner.
Property air conditioner. Who saw ya na dem high? I said I special compressor they are shame. It's a money dance. The net akata ni mo. It's in foot trunk.
Aha, baby, I don't know worry, mommy.
So we pedu to for 20 sack our Accra Spintex and answer Kumase for 20 sack our Doom a Bay Methodist Church.
Property. Top papa preko.
You be here.
Me I don't know.
You sure? Honorable. Me no. Bear my way. So mensia.
Okay. Me can't say me pia no musami. You ni money.
Makode.
Come on, sit down quick.
Wait, I herbal cream. Baby, do us, mama.
Maybe at all.
Oko chemical shops, oko pharmacy, oko herbal shop. Ube maybe. Oh, no, that's the same.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Actually, I have also herbal cream.
Me pato me ma say.
Honey.
Jenny and I are ready.
Oh, sir. Jojo.
Herbal cream.
Herbal sauce.
What branches big piano or Ghana? Sapade Paso Asia, President Andrews, Saboko Schooler, go school over I'm a Paso Wasi one time. St. Andrews SH.
Kawasem, Kawasem, what you want for me, Boakye, Kawasem, what percentage announce Kawasem, 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 me no name Kawasem, Kawasem, me no name Kawasem, Kawasem, what you want for me, Boakye, Kawasem, what percentage announce Kawasem, Kawasem, Kawasem.
Okay, abusia for makwaba. Ye de Kawasem twumedie na bro. Abono nso apa meter dua sansia. Anopai. Ye hyase afi bunu ahafo bunu east. Na otwe se ne ye ntimene ma ni nkomo. Enti wa wo bunu ahafo bunu east a o hwe me wo TV so. Samre ya brahoma no so. Number ye di dwuma no. E de asem na de wakoma so apese o ka for my Ghana ho. Number no ye 0551 931931. 0551 931931. Ye kayasem Bono ahafo Bono is mesraw ene die kwa so na mede ma mo afidie yi ene akonya ameti so yi mede buo ne die ma mo pa sa wo ne Bono ahafo Bono is da emegege wa ha ye bedru origin na osusu asem bi ede akoma so e wo Ghana etwagu a opeso ka ho asem no waka obeso otwe adwene si bibi so eye important eye o mantamu eye o man Ghana nyina asem a ekwanya wo ho ekwan no na bia ma se ba wo ni ho atwen mesramo minim iman never possible so betwenya video calls ana yenche number no is 0551 931931 0551 931931 0548 931931 yekwa homa no so. Hello, good morning. Me ba cho hwan ni
but the fellow of them that
one fee oben kasa kawasem
Omanhene Yaw last be tell yeni aye supply a school for no a uniform no up to no munje ka
oh
but
my minister manio
Omanhene person da o minister no o say o tia Omanhene because enye no kure
oh
Omanhene do ni say be ya obedie ni na di ntino o de buto bia say enkwa no mko school last year so obenya school for mana everything no man no more you school a wo mo ko nyambo next time obi no woni school uniform everything there come to follow it's how for my so after
because of munti amokanti musu munti pam
yes yam pam net ya kamasena
hey
so man ni wo de opera the full and no kuma to for no free they do answer the bad amount what the ba kokra o man ye ni bo ni pa o kare kan de wo ka kogontompo.
Okay, Mati. Hello, good morning.
Hello, my good morning.
Pacho Henye.
Omani Pacho, me kase frisi.
Mamintio, kawa sembodi.
Me Pacho, ye semata.
Ataka.
Me kase frisi nyama. Fiatri.
Kansem.
Omani Pacho re bisa sem kaka. Wode misewa. Omani Pacho te Ghana pa anta ifo bua omani fo ne te omani no moje.
Ada na obusasa.
The internet business and say, the communication network near your man, you pan, network in the communication is the same say.
Also,
internet, internet, and so far so data is it is only dear family, you call my huh?
The Vice President's policy of digitalization, a communication, a data, a Tanyama win a mema etimagina. Data boy, your company for asade, Omabunia Gumasum, Adea, DSTV, your Tomano, let Nifie phone, won't ya? Jesus Christ. Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, me pacho u jina homano so hwan die.
Hello, man.
Yes, hwan die.
Me don't think communication, don't think.
Mami ntewa no pe kawasem.
Pacho, I'm be one for pacho mun among inka come go say but my kena Japan atomo keno among follow we dey the trial for no ye bre among we dey get ruma ye kakranto ye we don't have plan of for it from the young just from among we dey get no am dey get ye esa ko ban kakra among ye mu policy ema mu attention no
delegates no say come the wamo hello good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho ofra na waso aba o kakra wai.
Hello, good morning.
Morning. NTA TV no my volume nko from Krameto on Kawai.
Yo, hello, good morning online.
Morning, when ye?
My friend ya badu me free touch mine.
Ya kawasem.
On my so ba touch mine. Kuro am fan ma, the wa public schools no basic schools no. Sika amoje jeje awo for no. Emfa no ko.
Hey.
Amoje watch man fee. Ayi Gigi Sika somebody cut off fine above class, mock fee, a big 350 Ghana cities, 250 classes. Just say, what did Gigi Sika and to mine? The refer my Minister of Education, I said, I'm not touching my crew, my investigation. Baby schools, no. Now, I'm try a bit of papa. Watch my fee, and quite the secure watch my view of mine.
Yeah, but Director General, why? GS Director General and Cancer, money.
You on your mind,
Matty. Dr. Cancer, money. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Omanhene.
The Pacho or Kawasem Jume, dear, so my Intianope.
Yo, Omanhene. Dr. Mohammed, when she speaking so.
Yo, Kasa.
Omanhene, no question, when she echo wa. A fine young to so bridge be over 1 month. I think a bridge no attitude. And before I need young one. But yet, it's an out to Cardi, now I talk and kill him. I should so and shouldn't. But before any be on that, you see the airplane on Mr.
Mate, Subin so bridge, when cheat to wa, Subin so bridge, and penny 4, or more day 2 and you say, I can't crab in a bridge in a bogum. Ometrawa, my bridge in a bogum, mama, a headline 20 perish at Subin so. The next day, no Makwako inspected. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho Wayne.
To Mr. Bowen, because everybody come.
Ejabo Makasa.
Pacho, maybe Sase, what's free education? One I see Nivo.
Oh,
now, Pacho, say free education, no one can you school fees now. It doesn't pass like a bear say.
Can you anyone near Tiabes 600, 700?
Say 500 economic culture, free education, you have 45,000. No more by your mamma, by 45,000. Not in the chess of free education, of course, of mine.
Now you said near my listener, dear mamma, someone Toma Mano, and yes, Kaketwa.
O mine me doing me.
Who toss on your money, we are in a fear jedum.
Who be you no mine? Because Kumu almost at the first time, who said, who signed off. It's your best mine say, free education no more can, or more Europe now. The Yayan or I know we are Wana. And I best rebukum and see. You were your ring road via or your Alawa Junction. Alawa Junction. Or more some baby. Now, first, no, my number for Alawa or your bridge in my near Namso. Bomoka Sombeno, or Mobby Trap Bridge. What? It will be a coin was Friday, up into a more area on. So, Kufia, I just saw a cow. Imechi. From 20. Mine, Oka, you don't see no pipeline. A underground, a different dear bank, Blofak here. No, maybe just a gun. I had the Blofonet, sunset, and 7 a day boom, my nana.
Brofono ground. I'm fair. On here, Obiba Maye, on my coin, any panyede, or Munyamaye. Now I work on senior coin quiffy. All right, let us say. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, boss.
When ye?
I just from you, man.
Oh, free hang.
The favorite breakum.
Mammy Tiwano pay. Breakum the animal precope.
But you mean every Friday or can't delegate for us. Then I had then I know. Young first, come my delegating cotton in the. Now I had to my young cherry. What you breakum or no breakum Yapan yet. Yaquan yet. Now no more ye them playing from Quanaba Yaquan baby. Now, take a first come a delegate your motive community. Now, for so many was so. Then, as can I am senior master delegate and MPB made you, Debbie. As a move from what you move for, my I can have one toy cacra, and I am watching a
okay. Oh, Auntie. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, when ye?
Pacho, the friend, Kobe, the cafe free
Kobe, my Intiwano pay.
Yo, me pacho, oh my. Me near be kasa na o school one sem.
School
JHS one sem na o kase obuji sika bi no. Papa, nyama course na no do too much.
My goodness.
Say to me be the school levy.
classes fee. You say no more say about BBA mess school want to be via no. I was foreign it. She says she can not also school one must say. Say JNSS free. Now a 400 free via. That's what I was. And the your best friend and then for say, Omuna me say actually procura teacher for na fa kwa bi so di sika bia e ya wo sem kura say you say me ba won go tia 1 million ade ya you say your classes fee and you may have cost papa no dey anodene pa
Mate ya baba modern pinche PRs no bi na ebusa o say sia no basic no e ho asem to say omo gigi fees bi ana so omo nje a there should be a letter, a memo to that effect, say headmasters. Now, buying capitation, a code. Sike also the my headmasters and head teachers. No, normally both school no brado. Echo. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Yes, for the Bible command.
Yami Anton Bibiabo Conounce. My inti one pay.
A man is actually because I think Namida Kumasi Saturday. My name wife, the yard look at the uncle they die. Saturday and Kakana. And so I will be a chairman, so I send you now a yam here. I will be a chairman, so then being a chairman here. What's the general hospital? No, hospital. A man with you are. The black corner is over control of the Kodica Kanye and the Kodian. The coin also in the coin lab, no. I'm 50 cities. Even room in Ukraine, then no call me one, but then as I quote, I had to be by again 30 cities. The coin wife, I remember it's here. Oh, my own say, you hear me in a year and I don't have to quote Thomas won't call you a room. The coin I actually, I don't know, maybe put on Solan and call me the coin was actually in Adea, Mamma said. No call anyone, Thomas Bowman could be. And I'm a cotter doing the bar on the catcher and said, I couldn't be a move in the bar. Omanhene ko ba ya ba ko na kan so no sa gimi ticket 5 cedi me ko insurance on here ayi la me kan so ma we sit ane ko bra no obaji chese me ko Omanhene ko ba ko so me tanka e dum no me say that insurance me ya me from aboka almost 400 cedi e ku ta insurance e
na just say
o me be ka che ma for say agogo me ko say uba obi aso sa na tie fa no sa na 20 other fa no sa na say Ghana no
agogo hospital atonsu
we also got to
who free on the Mukuta insurance, no to 400 Ghana.
I don't know what follow we are 2 months ago to 20 hour bonting. We hear about Bakuna hospital, one or so much to the Bakuna Mamma. The Coba Bakun, so I saw Tom and the Coba we teach.
And a dial, you didn't quote them Cacrano, so I'll see a G30.
We saw Mukia the G30. Now,
a hostel and a hotel.
And I'm saying, my wife, you're in charge of so called no, and I
will be baby who are tossing to ball.
Oh, the other but my bow make out to be as a start. I will mind. Start the amateur insurance and you also make a chimney after you could.
Mate, a Arahosamo. Ghana, Uniska, Uniska, woo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Amai.
Okay, Central, Western of Formunia ready. Central, Western of Formunia ready. Meaning, I want to chat to my intel from Brown Half of Blue East.
Okay, but that's a successful break step by step.
Step by step. We didn't there.
Okay, Amai, I gave you because you are my mom. She am a move from a new to from Namankabi. The security system now, Ghana, to say. I'm a social media, no? I take you, I say. And Kolako training school, and near my instructors, a day or more firm, no move due to social media. Until Akolana so pass out a bar, but your Jumam Kurana, no, your TikTok, or your TikTok live. Police me with duty, no, your TikTok live. You know, no, your TikTok live. Fire service me, a cosina, no, your TikTok live. Yama, TikTok, no, social media. We have security system now to the extent say Bibia better about thing.
Now,
my other security threat.
Many somehow can say many years ago now deal with any common crowd. But now ababeye issue bi say police ni ba ewo office na wa yet TikTok na try ne body police officer oko omukọ crime scene no mo video to TikTok adai entimpani for no mutumi take any punitive measure na and I normal and I abeka police one
normal like I said 2 years ago on fire service for almost like girls too. I was at TikTok live
me kai say police for cry and maybe omukoye maids of honor omugo to cham for the police for sake wo.
Yes, but they are going to say uni come for near just was sake uni mo bi wo dia
obi an e jaw.
Yes.
Aye yi mu me bo a
aye yi mu hocha Omanhene kura woman say me no ka say me security personnel but say dey ha me
ebe how na ye nyina kura ha ye o enye omukọ crime scene na police ni mom na atwa e dey ato ho
because of
na police officer kura timi ni civilian be kontokwa o TikTok be di dinatem e be te warning and the next time we say police officer no military officer military for kwa dey enten hu omo omo dey bia
na ma o channel omo wo so
sa
TikTok ni die aman e bia say
why we am one colleague and all ka say emma policing the security services is embarrassing security police a man or dressing we ya no chat TikTok no titi there bia somebody ma ho ofe na ekire you somebody mo dey na ekire you obi on ma police officer now I said that sumpre ne to no asese ne bo ha we ka so nko chikron for be da akoche Central, Western, North. Central, Western, North. Mumra homano so. Namon so monkamasem. That's right. Yankwe. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho free him when ye.
My first free Western North.
Your friend say.
Yes, me ya man.
Aja manu ma enti wa no pe kawasem.
No pray much American say education asem make bi.
Kabia.
Also online na aban de enema yen to nyina kogu. But schools no. Aban no dia aban we say free SHS. A teacher for no headmasters no. Ana e pekwa bi so abu awofo no. Say enema to no kodu school mu ho a enema we if we bra A4 sitting nyina ye gi ni school mu ene bomb
adai
A4 seat bondo no
na A4 seat di akwara no at school omo ni scam ni to stationary
ni nyina
A4 seat
mu ai omo je last year omo je ni nyina engineer penifo na school no na ibi se adwuma no engineer sanso the problem na sa kogu abai
no so no be a chaba abai no mate A4 sheet we guys will be out for pencil and a big bundle bra a packet. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho hwani
Bruce name me kasa free Boakye
kasa.
Yeah, I'm a paid here. Or that my media here question. Me person me who say yes 24-hour economy. Abraham Hama or the adwuma bi buy. Agana Abraham me the person who say the adwuma so 24-hour economy na be cover na.
Pacho Adama ma.
No see you could glass. Na am fama mo me ko pa bo mi gu kwa. The person who said also 24-hour economy.
Yeah, your mama na de ba he. Honorable Pelpio. Ena enkomodie no so. Oh yeah.
My na say the government the person who said cover. The government. To the person who said cover na.
I told you Hello, good morning. That's on the lighter note anyway. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho hwani
Actually, friend, I said, Abeka.
Okay, sir, free.
Abeka.
Abeka.
Yeah.
A young cry.
Yeah.
There be. You were Western, Central, Western, North. You be Abeka. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Hanye.
Pacho Jordan, Pacho Jordan.
Mami Tio no pay Kawasem.
Omanhene, the Pacho, this month, last month, now, far above basically drew me, Richard's what you know, only you mind. Now, check me here. I said, some of the one in the album, Omanhene, I didn't, that's supposed to be seen there.
National Media Commission chairperson.
Pacho,
ya bodu aye boafo.
Pacho, the president said to always come office on only TV, only the monitor TV stations. You say, I don't think that's supposed to not on the guy.
Okay.
Omanhene, that's supposed to be seen there.
Now it's a cocobono on the buy and I juma.
Omanhene, you know, the happening, only TV station, and only the monitor. Things to office one day, office or if I should have found home, so only the government monitor, the banana. There was not in that thing, and I'm not for fair, I'm not for the complaints, the bar. This will be the complaint, but what will you with man will be and complain? This station, I need TV, the yes, and come with the monitor TV station, the time woman dance on that so.
Okay.
That's possible.
Okay. I think that the parliament should enact a law or do an amendment. There should be other than that, National Media Commission are ordained to prosecute anyone. They do not have prosecutorial powers to do that. NCA so or my license are the 2 means so but to me I revoke such license. No, you need more some. For now that they can sponsor a private member bill. One member of parliament should take this bill for an amendment. Say, say anajo pono ankrofo ye, omo beton sika, omo afa webra beje Illuminati nom ne saa niema na ekosodo. Yentimi nyembra. Na nsia no kwan. Anya saa ye bedi unkomo saa nkosi anka. Yesi a na yesi ukobo obi be ye be chewe no so nanado nsan a. Eno so ho akoba asem omo twe ne diary san say the investigation and the say omo pass mra no omo de niema bi akosihye mu a majority for nso fi say na sa niema ne nka ho e de asa de cobra se bejo fi honorable chamber samo ye ho adwuma asara nanado ta Criminal Offences Act no de nsa ahase ISMP ye ko hello good morning.
Hello man, good morning.
Ne ba chaw kasa free
Pacho FM am bon sam kasa free Western region, I'm in East.
Mami Tewa no pay Kawasem.
Omanhene, where the yes, Ghana, penny for. Yakwan yet, Memphis, Yakwan yet, Omo de Galamsey, I say Yakwan na Galamsey, Omo de I say Yakwan na Omanhene, to me do and clock it where you are, to me see a deep quinama. I'm so for the quinama, main road and I go to small towns. Omo di back when
hey
Omo do we can electric pole omo dia for electric pole na bu ko bi to me dance mo be 1 week Omanhene nya izo ya bre o Amenfi East o ba small villages ni bi o Amenfi East Omanhene
na say mo nam so na mase nyina ye hwan
Omanhene nya
aka say da ko be gi agum say grim
who drew pan this way our left and right who to say ya di maka car namon sia
radia ko
Omanhene ezo
asampa kase na o kan sa no
ezo
enso uni ma rewosem eya titire ni penifo na ama small boys ni deal and omo discount go on account mo
no kore
that small boy no ni excavator eya penny kase bi pa MC, DC, party chairman, one MP, one Sikanibi Okromo, woman that say no.
Omanhene, me say Kroma for to me ko fele kwan. Say a fele kwan, ube wan say ya the excavator. Ya bo after kwan so na kwan na wa fele ni nyina san pasa.
Ghana.
Ekranka ukwa ye 3 CD Omanhene na driver for nyina to 10 CD 15 CD moto 30 CD Omanhene ye bre
mobre mama ni komo we me ni deputy PRO Ministry of Education Ernest Akosan twetwe komo Ernest me mo ache
so Omanhene
now what to say Bib oh Ernest what to make no hello okay. And now so mommy why? Media mentum kan yi wa ha. Mentum kan yi wa ha. Tani wa semetin no. Na ama komo no hu yanti wo de gina so mommy. Ana so tebe nka. Okay. Me musa di kan awofo bebre se prospectus na aban listener band buy no dwiri wo mo kon wo mo se oso mo to ne ma ne bidie na nso wo ka so okoto ni nyina na efie je ye dum aban ne betima e bibi wo ho ana.
Well, Omanhene made that was so Kenya Diamond of Fidi so near Busia Fonso Majibre 80 no pay. Osha in 2023 academic year, your man more fast in the beginning, and that's a Dradana. Osha prospectus is one of the best because BC Ghana has said that say standardized and as a harmonized prospectus. First, maybe our school once say koto we koto cement koto adaka we near the surround the system. The system is say maybe I know correct 600 and they call Kumasi Academy. Kumasi Academy hono 600 ya chimnyensa ABC group A B C. It's A for no mumu beto second. C for no so ebeto scrubbing brush. Maybe A for no and I say B for no so ato ebia ho and I say so. And by first then kabeto di na and then no maybe I know woman if you say na emwa ma awofo no ntimi bebe na nya kwanya for woman in school. So no so ye film. The Minister of Education, Dr. Yaw said it should engage the leadership of CHAS, our headmaster for Kumpany Fono, Government Council of Ghana Education, Government Council of Ghana TV Service, and other relevant stakeholders. And I'm here who said, "Quan way if you say Beboa, Nama Akye Abia for the breast." Last year, as at the time I hear closely placement there, then Kwani Baby who said, "Won't me and register and school." They who said no, and the young team all the regional and the district and ministry education directorates no more me more up me young crowd no registration no fit school no. Omanhene to surprise to know say we are no young crowd 8,000 nationwide. Munko school. Hello?
No Munko school.
Munko school. On the basis say prospectus and normal is so munto toro muntimi ento. It's not for me. Minister for Education said that we going forward. I see in your dear a bit my phone and as a parents and guardians. No, I hear how Mukakra. And to the is the best interest of the child. Yes, sir. Be another boy.
I go somewhere. I hear how. I was a going home. So I go somewhere there. The amount to sukra my a bridge type you cross still almost so.
We do admit it, we do accept at least. No, maybe a trunk of maybe one job was last year, no, different from this year. I didn't a young person who better to know maybe now because school be at last year. I remember media stations maybe now no SMD prospectus items and schools maybe now you do have bad air treasures. Unbelievable. But at this time when you feel say it's one of the people parents maybe now no as much as say be no matter to so above from no will be on in a whole day. Okay. And if you say you Biana, the Sikasam Ecos, will be as you the Banyard needs to be a Prempeh College, and I say Kumasi Academy, and I support Memorial Senior High School. But I say, we are only 2,000 non-quota provisions now, and I say, we are a crown no man egg. This is your follow on maybe at the soft penny, and I say, identify groups be a work in person also, and a baby out here. you feel say I so to the form so thing now follow somewhere because as much as first abani boa free SHS there then you expect some to be complementing the good effort of government.
All right, yanko basic yeah kawasem benim say dwumadi a wo ha wotie bia wo nkran kra wotie bi kasa na eba ni nyina ne say titru techiman wo mo asem ne say a teacher for ne a church for no teacher head teachers no almost say aban ni sika wo say eba no dodo na mba etindei watchman fee wo moje mock fee wo moje JHS ni primary na make basic wo mo agitia masisi ankwala no as a school fees teacher ni no eje ana head teacher esi awofo no ntua wo basic no ubehwem na be 350 ebi 400 basic says here omutua fees ana
Omanhene you share educational system na yentua fees bibia free at the basic level up to the second cycle level nyina yentua fees na they are na akwa na pempin no ya na church for no ko bia PTA for no so ye pese towe no emra bia no ho esi kwa na mmom e wo se wo di approval to letter through the district or municipal education directorate and not by region, not by director general of Ghana Education Service. Or also, our prove say, when you take one as simple, and it says, can be a course of basic one as a junior high school beer? And before when you know, where I say, a particular be soon a headmaster, no, a person of fossil, no, do book our photo. Because they say, as you speak, the head teacher at our and as a headmaster or Kumasi Anglican, you're interdicted on the basis, say, PTA for no person your project to be. I want you to the right course and that's the right channel and your approval.
Miami school.
Hello?
Miami school. Anglican school.
Well, former school, yeah, well, matter.
Oh,
yeah, I say interdicted, yes, head teacher, as you know, because of say a PTA for no a project. And the other day, the government one crying there, but your process is now fast. So we say you approval in there and you our phobia and I say parents bill 200 cities or 200 cities. But one follow the due process. Now they quiet one fees and I say PTA for no and we Bibiana. I don't day what are we steward and I say when are the head of the school and to be Bibia and also making sure say what to one based on the strategy given to you by your employer.
Yo, Bakusunye. Sa na no me no di nkomo ama ye wradu twumkra no kasa me no nkasa ewo sa wo mo pam sukufo ya di o ma sa frɛ sɛ wo kasa ma ye nsese ya ma release funds amutu aka ebesi na ye ntu o mo kanti SHS 1 ni 2 4 kra no uniforms kra no kwala no bebre anya bi ana ye ma o mo bi eno so no kra wo mo ye sɛ
Omanhene also how be jina baby no you work on your supply be 1 year or 2 years be the sika kakra bi akem. But as I speak no be brina no supply and I say so consumer was Emma Free Secretariat you know about you be brina ka and there will few individuals be not so mun sanka mo there they should do the right channel. They be a nipa say nipa no free you know the company need they say they be a through back door and I say behind you know now I just say information or the bado any or supply school way A B C they who can be facilitate now in akanisika
and you will kasa matia bi ana matia
o say ska dey release ya o boy can say ask even the woman be or by minister ho then the sika no say you need be 2 years but current say you ni nyina na yetua de ka. And say, go hard, PV issues, they be a year, they have to correct it. And also, Ghana has a bureaucracy there, there's something a delay, no back. And you just say, all the suppliers are, normal free secretariat. No, that is not true. But the cray woman say, they bring down your true.
I'm being specific. I'm being specific with Omo Pam Tadiano. Omo Matiomoka.
What I'm saying?
Omo pam school uniforms no mati omoka
omo because yeah 900 plus schools both friends the grammar and the TVET and the 900 they be able to supply school be 2 or 3 schools so that one need to be generalization in omoka it is a need there maya and the more better what to process but it's maybe I will turn am on maybe you see can na enya me dream. But that does not mean say you do muka to the extent say you idea free sorry kwara no mobeko first year obunya uniform Because this time around, your procurement process, no, Omanhene ahead of reopening day. The Brinani ever ready. So buy young train about 3 months and 6 months and sign the uniform. And as you will be a PK amount.
Okay. Medasi, Ernest Akusa, on command Medi.
Mr. Medasi, now, me back my son or pay me free for Saturday.
Yo, any oba, yeah, no better and some people on your Kawai.
Medasi, I call you, dear mammy.
Yamin Kaho. Obapa. Now, what to say?
Oh, Yamia don't me holding pa.
Bibi Aboko. Okay. I no pay. Young got time heba. Time heba. Time and time HH. Yeah, we want to say time HH. Mami ti ano.
Why never does if you akwanya odi ama no pay anope me den chia sonko be free time asoye ama obibia ohwe Sompa TV anope abusua enenso ebraso time herbal ye ne mo betwetwe nkomo e dia fa yapomuden ho sanse mpani si yade we eya ama man kamasem ni nyina efri yade ne senti na da time herbal for ye gibre eba Sompa TV ha eno betwetwe nkomo fo apomuden ho abusua time herbal for ye ne kofa baya ye de time HH herbal Mr. Abejaso time HH herbal Mr. Ebusia edrowe no kwasem ni eba ye enche kra na enso adwuma ebonti no ene bebia befa bia obia edi edro ne ho adanse edrowe bobro ni padwam a enkwamo ho adwuma ene edro ni eye ebo asiesie wo nkwamo wo ni padwam ma nkwamo no wo ma ho de no esipisita eba ne sa no a yade bia wo ni padua ni su bia ni nyina efri ni padua ni mani padua no efa ne ntoma pa edifra ubowrem or drug store pharmacy shop license chemical shop bebia ubenye biato na wo peni dudrum etu akoton ebia na wabie pharmacy shop bi drugstore bi na wo peni dosopom edi akogum aton a na wo di wani achrem Colinac herbal Misty herbal Freddy Mens KNG herbal eno achi anopesa wo hye me na yade etete wanonum no ni bebre na so yade ne enko obi se ye me pe doctor nam na twetwe nkomo no achi me ko am de mapomudimpo ebefa so keke number no ye 0244
0244 41
76 69 0244 76 69 abusia time herbal your number edidi juma no eno no me so we no Dr. Penny ne kita na homa bofo no nti wo frɛ no ane se what the bre eje wo so abusia edre frɛ ne se time HH herbal mixture no kwasem ni se time herbal for ye de ba ye enhye dan chepi nanso ene adwuma ebo wo ni paduam nti no ene bebia be bia obia edi edro ne ho adanse edwomfo ma je edro no atomu a omu kan edro ne ho asem na no kwasem ni se edro yi no eye immune booster wonya binom a wonkom wo ni paduam no eno na edro no esiesie edema wo esanse ye hwe obia ne nkwam ho den ewo fom a ya na da ne da yade edi ne so afrisane obi nso ho ya na ne nkwam no ahoden wo soro pa ya na edin sese bisisi yade ebetimi abeto ahye ne so ananse tipaye ebetumi abeto ahye ne so obi kro timi de nsese ne busa me se enfienum enfiensia menyare da menko hospital da health insurance baye waye bi enso ada hwa na ewu kyerese ne nkwamo no eho eden abusua time HH herbal capsules anasa ne mixture na ye dia ba no ye kan fudi ma obi a ohwe ya no pay se wo de se nkwamo ahoden se nkwamo ahoden swate no wo de nonum adro no na emmoa enkoso ensiesie wo nkwamo no emfama obi wo ho no ma ne nkwamo no ahoden ne swate wono adi adanse se ankane no nanka wo ye adwuma echepa ansa na watebre nanso nansen wo ye adwuma kakra bi a na wabre wonante kakra bi a na wabre obi si ya na manisu nyina echinime ya na manisu nyina eye metum me so time HH herbal mixture wonya binom a ebo asiesie wo nkwamwa ama hoden no asipiasita no na esen yiyi yade we na abeji ni padua na boso no ne nyina ede free ni padua nim diama da bia me kase ye do time HH herbal mixture no wo yare de dro so a obetumi anum bi esan se ye nkwamwa ho adwuma na edro ne eye enu nti wo nunum time HH herbal mixture na wodi wadru a woda so ka woni padua no wobom se apomuden fa ho die na aye o chefa enu achi ne ma me ne papa no mo amfie kwa animu no ye kanfo edro ne ede amamo sanse de bia ma me sorry a wo complaining ni sisi ye ne ya ni koto dwem rere no obi kra de wo se me chese me gem ho ba bia enye sasabro etete me pa edro ne time hheba mixture wonya binum a ebeboa wo ya de bia abodom pimo ni paduam no eno na ebegigi ni ho ade fri ni paduanim ama ni padua na afa ne ntoma pa ade fra ene time hheba mixture uboremo drugstore pharmacy shop license chemical shopper enye na ubenya bi ato bebre me so sempo o penchiremu a chen medie anampo so person doctor etwetwe nkomo na wo chechire wo yadiem ede kire no a number ni ye 0244 41 76 69 0244 41 76 69 time herbal your number enono eno achi no mekanfo de ma oba o hwe me anopei sanse ma bebre sebi omo wo haw e wo ma hemfie ho oba bi si yara na hemfie ho no ensuo basa bi ubo se ne fifra hemfie ho na eba obi si mekura me de ya na eyi ti sa akatoa obi si wo woro ne pant na ya na ohwe ase no a ubo se na se ensuo no aye yellowish color bi na egugu pant ni mu a obi si ensuo ne fifri ma hemfie ho ba no ama ma hemfie ho kwan ebie asan japan pan bone e wo ho no so hu menu aba time echeche ba mixture no nya binum ebeboa wo ebeboa ma sabi ensansan bi a egu ba so wa hem uhem otoase ni nyina ebeko wa hemfie ho ya na ho keka wutimi tisi ho na ho ayekro abusunya mesro wonya binum a ebesiesi wa hemfie no de ma pa menu aba de bia meka mesi wa hemfie na ni kokofo a wo ma me no papa de agya wo enu nti ahemfie ho ne de siesie ho di ho ni so hu eba ne se Christmas ye be wo de time cheche ba mesha esiesie ho a wo bo so be ginam sa abela ba no so hu eba sa na no wa ye pintin sanse wo no time cheche ba mesha no wo de esiesie ahemfie ho etu pampan bo ne ase ensan bi afiri ho ahemfie ho no eho awo eho ache eho amoa so hu eba ne oni bema ni di mpemu agra dede sembia eni bebia eba ne sana wankasa kra no wo vim so hu utumi di ye adwuma na eba sa wo de time cheche ba mixture ni siesie ho so de eni ebronyen sabi ukunu obedi ubronyen pa mo ani age na ho so be kire wo so hu enu ti time cheche ba mixture no doctor de aba se ma mo fansiesie mo ho mo fansiesie mo himfi ho na bebo mo himfi ho bibia be konkan ebebo tu pampan boni ase ebebo mo himfi ho awo eho bechi ukru di mpemu agora eni gie no ebetumi aba edi ama wura sana bema mekanfo edrone edi ama sanse bema bi ho no so se ne bema no sansan gu bebre bema ne ho nyina aye wiwre twitwiri ni ade a oba de ne sa efa bema ho a eni gie bia enim on wanwe kura na betwa no Mr. Time Checheba capsules ana ne Mr. no menua bema unya binum a ebeboa wo ebeyi ensuo bi a abetai se bi obema nimu no afri ho sanse bema bi ho a wodwunso wi a na ensuo mai bi fri ni bemem na eba obi okra ne moja kakra efri bemanim na eba meso wo bema na wo sensunsuanso boni wei e wo bema edroni a time hheba mixture wonya binum a ebeboa wo bema wodwunso a na emu apai mienu ba kuna mbenkum ba kuna mnifa anaso se bema odwunso kakra bi na babonten de akanyina na etai wayase enu ti de bia na ma wayase aye dududu se bi na ohwo mu kran so esan eye wo ya obema no ho na emu ekekawo emu ehyehyew wo mema sam wo mpem atosini atofom ama enimonyam kran no se bi uni bi wo fie bema bi wo ho a ade esa na wo kofia na atone ne bena sanse okodru fie ne wo be kompaso na obayi kokase fama mi na ayasem enu ti time hheba mixture no doctor say bema no no mwate ebebo to sisi ye bia de free ho na aboa ma mema sam mpem no esipie sita de ma obememu ebeye den mu ebeye de ma sisi mo ye den na wo so obemu a wotumi awoso no eba se bronye udi nso a wotumi edi ni yie bema da me kam sisi wo botomu nye na wo sisi mo den udidi kwa edroni a time hheba mixture enye na wo drugstore pharmacy shop license chemical shop baby a wo kwa wo so per time heba for do e friend say time hheba mixture doctor diaba no isense no behwe mani mema gu ya so ya sebi enya yaresa no mo bepe adanse e na wo mo de ba wo mo basi o mo si doctor nyankopon onhyiraw sanse time hheba mixture no kwasem ni se edi yasem amaye oba na befra wo si doctor menunu maduro no enia me fifiri mi ni peduam aba bonten no kosem ni ano eden pa na wono ankasa hyase na order doctor ase be man so ne be fra o doctor no kosem ni Nyankopon hyira sense time cheche ba me chane de ebo adwuma yi yade bi afiri me be mem ama me be mem aye de na ma me sisi mo aye de ne ene he empa so eno ani se mi twa me hu se ya me chese enia ma me ye ne dem ho no enya asem ketwa time heba Mr. Abusu drugstore, pharmacy shop, license chemical shop, baby akwa. Ubenya bi ato ebusia breno. Ayebe ya moya de so a. Eno chese time heba for inu ya de anu edru ewo ho. Empani si bisa for we onyira kwan. Ji number no me sorry sune Fred Dr. Penny no. Eye 0244 41 76 69 0244
0244 41
76 69 Adronia time Heba Mr. Ebusu drugstore, pharmacy shop, license chemical shop, baby akwa. Ubenya bi ato yeda refone etifo inase.
Beda se bedo fopa. Mami kwa homano so na mene osei kofi twetwe nkomo. Osei kofi bi mo atia no pay.
Ya me jo sumini ya.
Now pom to say.
Baya my bread. Pa na so the
Convention People's Party National Executive Council has unanimously expressed a vote of no confidence in all its national executive during a meeting convened in Ashanti Regional Capital. Mebacho, we are privy to this. Adea Akye Abia was a munimpa.
I'm for Konya so and chia CPP from before interim executives na the Brinoa so a regional executive na constituency for almost somebody in care constituency elections every year. I don't know. I mean, tell me, and I'm in country almost Omodo and two and I'm idea to but some of can and correct now in Timubo headline leading the crowd.
Okay.
I didn't say now I was saying July a tuaba naive from Katunia obey DCBP. Staff I was saying, and you say, ye former chairman CC Yapamano. Didn't I'm from Thomas Kuma. And it was say, or present or ye flagber and not be. The Bia Baya acquired M1 Biano, not which you can name, okay, to Namu, win the Muniade. And ye call meeting, I won't cry. And I hear say, what Bama and Phoebe Mensa and go for to Abamayana. No, say coffee. Give a preparation to contact somebody. I couldn't imagine. The mind give a contact delegates now, constituency phone, regional phone. A family and Sunday cat as a noir or come and say, Emilino, at the contents on your shade, doing the work. And why not just open flag by and sweat into or no matter the opening, no more Pierre in Conanim. I thought to be now a quack yes on a near sea yen more ye fise ya will say ye yano or the near sea so. It will be a no now away minimum and then Kaya or the bad things you crying in it and the buyer make a cancel so and my party be should let us send sanity. And the acquaintance and say. So we Congress, if you want Congress, no, constituency funina, regional funina, national funina, council of elders, and founding members, and committee chairman, your committee would be CPP from moi, or Munina, chairman, would your share, your name, a man for so Peter with the foreign relation, your political affairs, moi, I have to say, any for you keep down with you so. And you know, Sanko now see maybe she, nothing, it one more, and then what, party no akɔnɔ nti yɛ ne sɛ adeɛ ne deɛ Ghana so yɛ bɛ bi akasɛm a ɛno ane Asante region ɛno ane Kumase ɛno nti yɛ de meeting no ɛbɛ Kumase sɛ yɛ baba bi aba bi hyia national executive committee national executive
council no
ɛno nti yɛ sɛ to anɛnra ɛna yɛ meeting na sɛ de ayɛ ba sa no a chairman ɛbɔ ne nkuro ɛka baabi a party no gyina ɛne party no ɔden ɛne adeade politically na gyina secretary so so abam ababa bɛkyerɛ baabi a party no ɔden gyina ɛne ne biribiara gyina when it comes to administrative wise sɛ party no headquarters offices ahodoɔ a yɛwɔ the electoral commission ne yɛka no ne adeade a bɛka no nyinaa na fee national treasurer so aba no so aba bɛka party sika sam
ɔsɛe
ɛho asɛm akyerɛ
ɔsɛe
ba
minim sɛ wei nyinaa no ɛbɛfam na baabi a waka si no deɛ ɔnte aseɛ na ɔmpɛ sɛ ɔbɛte aseɛ deɛ bibusa sesi a ne sɛ wo no krataa ne baeɛ no ɛwɔ sɛ motrɔ krataa resign ne anaa by that decision no
treasure no kasa mu no ana obo din sɛ yɛkɔsi ekɔpɛ sika wɔ nkɔfoɔ mo pɛ si before asɛm hɔ a nea mo ka ne sɛ yɛ maame fɛm pɔm asapɔn kuma aba hɔ abɛgye sika odi me krata akɔ nkɔfoɔ a yɛtɔ ɔba mo so mo gye sika no oyɛ ɔma si nkyɛn a ɔno ankasa tini ku a ɔdɔ mo nam ɛtɔ so bio national women organizer koraa no te sɛ na ɔde position kɔmɔ abaya bi a asɛ ɔyɛ na akɔra a tan bi kutakuta ne back ɛno nti de esi yɛ nie ana mebɛkɛn owura Duncan Williams a Ghana Archbishop Duncan Williams wɔn sɛ ɔyɛ CBP ni ne papa yɛ CBP ni maame twerɛ krataa kɔmaa no sɛ ebi yɛ sika na yɛasoma no sɛ ɔmɛgye sika mmra papa bi efrɛ no papa yɛ akorɔbɔdu sɛ yɛwura akorɔbɔdu sɛ ne ba a sɛbi ɔyɛ sikani businessman ɛwɔ Ghana ha ɔno nso wotwerɛ krataa no bi kɔmaa no ana mpanimfoɔ no ɛmsan sɛ omunim CPP no mani di ekyirikyi no ebebusa yɛn national executive sɛ bibi sɛ hɔ ma ne sɛ dabi nsoma obi asa nti no a treasure ɛde document ne ba sɛ when the ɛkɔ so wɔ party no nti baba asa na obi ase kyekye bia de ewu sɛ ntumi enyi ntumi nyɛ sika organize yi na sika no na ɔmo pɛ no ebi yɛ as much as 4 million Ghana cedis 3 million Ghana cedis 6 million Ghana cedis na akɔkɔ sɛ ɛne ɛsɛ saa deɛ a yɛbɛsɛ yɛhu sɛ sika no ɔmakɔgye adi anaasɛ sika no mae yɛka maame ɛne ano yɛ bi ɔde ma yɛ nti hɔ no na yɛyɛ sɛ saa deɛ a yɛbɛtu no enti ɛyɛ me ɔsɛ Kofi Akwada na sɛ infograiser ɛmuvu the motion sɛ maame no ntumi ama mekyerɛ ɛkwan a ɔno a tena aseɛ without central committee, without National Executive Council, which is without Congress. And then say party leadership, party leadership say the first vice, second vice, third vice, general secretary, national organizer, women organizer, and treasurer. Yeah, man, I know what me got to say, and you should say, let no Asiano, to me say it didn't me finish him. Intinya sa eba de sa no ono sorry say na nyo no kwa ana asema de to so nyo no kwa ana general secretary na say ono so de nini aba ana ya ja to be fofo mu ana me national organizer eye say sa dia motion wo grounds enti say obi fi say o say hwe no fofo dia obi nkanta motion no ana obi kanta motion no te kanta motion na say ade no across ana regional secretaries the whole Ghana secretary some 16 regions ni na no kosia e no mba no say omati asem na ekoso no enya nika enti even though omo boss ene na ya jantoa omo dom omo penasem said ye be ya asem no nko say na me se nyame nko a ti be kodi nyame nko na me kono nti no ene ye mfa ya jantoa enka wo ne pam no na ono so ye nyini firi akonya so ana magfo bi se da bi ana je obi kokoko ni mako na o beti fifiri eti ekoya kasa bebrebe ewi etire no ana ne sa de mo bi antra ho nyini se ne se da bi yeti mo bi antra because say no ya do from boy sikase mu no omo so be kam iskara da sa sikara so mai enu ti se ne sika de ye party no enti de o se sie ne se e wo se de de to no ye de to eti mo kasa mu a na ne ehunu se e kwa entokwa Brian, yeah, I just said by 2 o'clock, we are poor meeting. 2 o'clock and to quite start here. And say 2 and not have police 4. On free Zongo police station. I now play me bomb up so. Zongo police divisional command, the bomb up so. Ocean police for free region. I'm a Asante Regional Police Command Abaso. And no other come to the Kenyasan Papa. Because let's say, before one Kufumuni Yas and Ketwa. Enti kene bia ka ye kasa yi ebia nka na chairman leader ye se ye kwa no konfa no che anakulibu ebia na nka bia besi ne nkofo a wono mo ye saade no na nka na nya kra na ano ana ye hwe ye no ana kwakwa de wesi sese ni ye se okay etiawa se saade ya ani ye na se executive no ye nyina ye sigina ye ida se ye nyina ye be resign and as a bomb because CBP so say obia and yen as executive ni proposal say yen mamu to me say nkofo mi no so mo nkoma party ni ya and yen nyina de ho ba for de muntu yen nyina na do be ka se wono de onko no mpam no ana mo so ma jatum intimate mic no na se mi o se kofi akwa me na say you organizer for the CPP mwana mtu abama me mo delegates e wo 275 constituency mi ko ba bia obi ato abama me buy so maso party no obi ani me ni fomu a na mo kasa fidie so kasa ma party no ne se the best bi tumponti no be de metumi e mamo se mo fanya de mo pe ana organizer jene de bia jene de ni ada na ya janta so jene so ka the same thing ento so ya resign e no na ma me fisa pon kuma so no de resign na Adea Akye no entremu wo ho ana nkofo se yi maame wonnuanum nyina to anamo a esefata sabi akukudofo a ma se omo no modwene ensansa wa wadwe se the party baby yes ntino kan se ma okeka ana omo ye se sadia ene omo jira mutumi so as executive council under the CPP constitution of article 82 clause A, B, C, and D, E. Emma omo nek no kwense. Sa we patapa. Ye busem. Na afedie maama no oma pam no. Eno any Adea enwa isiye. Enti yen national executives with the exception of Mami from Pumano. Yen nyina ye resign here. Mami from Pumano de okase all resign. Enti nek no eyi no pamo no fi party nim. Say no mutim ni adwuma bio eti ene wa wutie Sompa TV ene Sompa radio piano samane from kuma sapon kuma na first no one chairman and titira ni ma CPP ba on chen so the CPP wants some naba obese sika na kwakwa CPP a CPP for so mutim ni adwuma bio ye wie no na chese ye timi ma ade no so na ho pan sa e say na ye mpelifo a ye national executives ana se ne say said about party between continue. Young said, "You won't buy for the your positions a go." Until Muti be a friend interim organizational committee, IOC. And then they say, Sadia, you pay for the military. It's all the regional secretaries Kushai, Nipa. All the regional chairman Kushai, Nipa. The chairman of organizers cut them say, Mamu Bia Niyaw, sir, Matikisa decision way. The said a party in the Inti anam dem waba for there. Inti me ma omo so nipa minu. Ana organize nipa minu. Umo organize nipa minu. Treasures esia no mo so nipa minu.
Okay.
Ana obia ye say ye fa sankofo no enko. No mo kofo mo.
So now Osekofi mo 13 member interim committee me boa.
Committee. Yes.
Omo be hwa to niam akopem say mo be to aba ye executives.
Mama no siansa because
me so me de mbra na ye adwuma.
Bibi says here.
Medemra na ya adwuma nti ma me fon si ha me da se. O say ma me da se. Watch the niam mu ye pa. Okay. Greater Accra Volta OT Easton. Greater Accra. Now see I hope I saw your video caller. Number no is 0548 931 931. Ufre video na ya do beto so. Ufre video Greater Accra Volta Easton OT. Ubetima your video call and you 0548 931 931. And now say Obefre 0551 931 931 and now 0548 Ofra. So Obeso your call I beba Obeso your video call so ya do beto so. Bravo Manoso. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Beba cho hanye.
Pastor friend Bafo
free.
Mekasati Central
Bafo Kasa why na membre no ko.
Teacher, you didn't say Minister Kopan. Minister no Kopan be the correct. Interest was okay. You from January to December, month from there will be also the maths. From one English, from one thinking, from one for my country for my by actually, some teachers said to be same subject, and I two subjects. Remember, it is wrong. I know that change. The first thing you are not doing is to make and okay. Logistics, and my yes, on that question. And a man will say, that's the question. The thing can't be it's in what technical system. Omanhene, yes, it is no way. The man can't say by that, I think on the case, that is our problem. Omanhene, there to be a planning on the school, we also make what pick a different movement. Because the different aspects are very different. One more. According to my the whole thing they do exam. They see a plan area. All the parents, the parents, if they agree to pay the people, until them, then it's not in this year.
Okay.
Days or people that are to the nation.
All right.
The phone number what for the people act. The same look. I don't know what is the blind.
All right. Or Kasafa Asotria any discipline. Ye free SHS moi. Aman Kolana Swaya Tia. Kolani Kofi Nebu or Baskua. The Suba or the Bay and or the Koy and Rebana Sassan. We are no Shienya essay Sukuno. Or come wasem. Volta OT. Okay. Yakwa man so video call. Hello, good morning. Hello, Otemenka. Otemenka. Hello. When you're ready, I am for before. Volta is in OT Greater Accra. Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Pacho, your family and I am a Casafi Kufu de Asokore.
Nana me to Alope.
Oh, my, one say, I said, you all know, a Kosua, I was saying, kind of French for. The fact say a free SHS, no. Say, any free SHS Krana or my prospectus, no. So, I know with your registration to admission fee, yeah. Now, a summer prospectus come home.
That's right.
The same list now, my first name free SHS, no. Now, to turn a trunk, chop was trouser, cutlass, and the and no one, my first name is school fees, and now to talk. So, what I say, it is a matter of somebody between BC now. What prospectus no and change that. If you ever to BC, I wouldn't so because SHS, no. Shall I say to Tosania, go. Said, oh, my 2014, every time prospectus, and so that. And no only says some schools me at the name of the two, and then my uniform prospectus are. You put the same thing. And for we say free SHS, any free SHS, so the school fees crana, prospectus, you better the amount, no one to talk. Again, on my basic school, I said, no more can. They say capitation grants now, ever no. A credit, it is schools now or more ICT facilities, you know.
Omo here security e wo school wo. It's a maybe dura. I am a headmaster so their hands are tied. It's the only thing I'm betting I am say. Omelezi after 1 Ghana cedi per term. It is a wakura who school no 1 Ghana cedi a term. Now the just security fee. I say they I'm for the
okay. Yeah. Try video call. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho Wanye.
Omanhene, big man here, make us a free UK.
We are big man and pop. I'm in Tiano pay.
Omanhene, your mind, dear, you're paying for an free education, no dear, not a year. Nanso, a year say, ye de a near matu a quamois. Ubia better than wasi. And near ma, ye see ye Jessica, and so ye Jessica no. Sanya many mina wo. Utie anopay obi okasa free techimaya. O ma wo say ye wosika bia yeje. Ye mpanyfo ni mbiem no mo hu se. Sika we ye tua anase ye ntua. Enam amayo semunti. Ye ma de nanim enda ho ye. Eni ekobasa na ye hu se ye ko nifa hu ye ko bankum eni nti se wo hwe nipa wo interview no obusa na asem no otwen na no ase pa ansa na oyi anu ye no te bi ehye ho a no kura bi hye ho a ompese obeka eni nti ye man ye nyina na ye som ni akyekyere ni ye eni nti ye mfa no kura enhye ase entete nkwala no enye saa ye man no hwia ni se ehwiegu.
Okay.
Omanhene bedawase
pa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
About your Wanye.
The friend Nana Yaw to Banana, but the free Pecky.
Nana Casa free. Pecky, okay. Mammy Tiona.
You're mine with it. Better want to know what they're doing. Oh, my young kind of crazy and say, I'm out for the propaganda of best education we want. Hey, yeah. 2014, the Boakye school, the fee admission fee is 1,600. But last year, the Baba Hoko prospectus, the Boakye more than 3,000. This year, the Baba Echo, the contingent fee, the whole budget fee. Adea Akye Abia for a year and say, Omokase in book. I'm talking about after who knows say they are buying their banner one year. But let's imagine, I have been not just two years now. That and climate crisis may among your mobile money and talk. Here talk. We still have been admission to keep each other 4,000. And you are one in Nema as a cost runner. Look at the nursing training. If you come 2 times a day, it's almost more than 4,000. It's a binary you do. And yet, so they say no, or say, but it didn't come for no. Why you did the car? And can't miss it the car, and they the car is how they emphasize repeat 2005. Then I could charge between 4,000. And I'm based 6,000 plus. Also, my is the time I can't finish that for Buganda.
Thank you. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me Pacho Wanye.
Oh my, me Pacho, let me go to make us free. Yasikai.
Mami Tiano Pagoto.
Okay, good morning once again. Omwa Sebi, Omun Cherish free SHS prospectus in T Omusuno. On my 2014. Within Miracle School. Within Miracle School. Which 1,270 Ghana cedis as registration and admission fee.
Okay.
Almost 1,800.
Year 2014.
And then admission fee in Quebec almost 3,470 cedis.
Yeah.
We are there from a prospectus. We are talking to Toniana almost 4,000.
Almost 7,000, almost 8,000.
Well, I was say I appreciate how it's really too much.
It's me at the Ghana. Baby video call. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, no my.
Pacho Wanye.
Oh, you come up, bro.
Hey, I'm on Greater Accra.
Hey, I want to buy a seat.
Also, I see. Mami ti ano pe abo.
So good ya ora ya fati bo ambare ma beje o top no.
Me set no me ngrongu o.
Awa be ko be samso. Another because of social media no dey. Na kola na aba ni telephone bi. To bomb bi ya na mfata. O ma na sisi am jemba pa wo nwotwe. E ma na me ma no. E ma no mi ensa wala fantimi. Mi di tend na jo ware bunu ni. Ni papa sa iti region akwa enti se o man to kwasi a metimi ni akọ metimi ni akọ mitimi o mo kuma ni enti se boys no mo social media o sa tele me ekoso ntokwa no o mu twa so na emwa na to su bi o ma me koma so FNPP na se meti se ba ni ababa ya work bi ai ala da ya work bi o man se na mitika mu obi etu katetia papa no ni MPP ni ba fe madam busa na say bi ada na lentu ba franco ma ally because next time was a nipa etra kemo e kasa rough papa no wa anya view e say bi jawo ni mura nam o se won timi bi no wate ne ho a e wote ile kasa de bi kwa ile kasa chenko fo no ko mo mutara ko ti sa ba MPP no e say to bombo dia e be sa me pa bebere e fi party ni mo ti ni ka MPP so no ni na o na mo kwa abre Francisca de se delegate ko tora mana Omanhene Yaw be ene kan bi be ko police na gaza.
Okay, Mate Apo. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
Pacho Wanye.
Omanhene Amas me kasafri new abdemite region.
Amas, mami ti anope.
Omanhene me da tipa. Oman mesre Ghana for. Sebi yeni a ye work from. Because yeni ye work from yeni a ye ni bi. Ye nyuma susa ye want to akwa yenko enyi MPP abanti ho yeni a ye nyuma wo fom ye ni biye no se ye want to akwa yenko na yenyi MPP aban enti wo de bia na yantwe yi a ebedu bedu no ye besu afre MPP aban ma ye hu be ye beye ye hu wo man kan ni ye woni pa bi won mo a omudo mu wo bi mu estafo we da be nkuma omuwo e be ni fa omuwo e bi je beto bia no mo especially za amanyofo na ye propaganda no e je message Ghana ye ni aye ni bia ye wo fo no ye nku na ye ni MPP aban e fe isi ma ye hu.
Okay, video call. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning. Why you?
Me bacho. Hello. Good morning.
Me ton kasa wa o kasa free.
Me kasa free Atimbegro.
Mami ntiwa no pe kawasem.
Yeah, from me Mohammed.
Mohammed kasa.
Omanhene, I'm saying I pay me concerns. Ekoma Minister of Education. Me find out. Argentina, for so many years, young teachers for being one thing is cut over my laptop. Now you sank a laptop in here. Over Fantiaco, no, for more. How much a laptop to maybe a secondary school teachers, kindergarten teachers, and a JHS teachers. Young teachers, they are there primary 1 to primary 6. Yeah, from the bulk of the teachers now. Yes, I can laptop me. It's been just in the minutes and say, why not betting it to go 509 cities for 3 good years? So, Mama Nadia, but that woman then in to Minka. Let's run the one down, sorry. Time.
Okay. Hello, good morning. Hello, morning.
Money, I'm fine.
That's the same.
Yakuba, my
ntiwa no pe kawasem. Mitio kawasem.
Omanhene bacho timinka.
Meteo nkampa kasa.
Hello, Omanhene bacho timinka.
Bacho unmute. Why you know? Asa o don say me am you know sunti am.
Bacho me dey sa kwa dem favor makum.
Aha, sa kwa de kasa.
Me bacha.
Sako de mentie TV no. Why? Oh. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Pacho wanye. Me ho ye pa.
Ya da Nyankopɔ ase. It's Omanhene. Ya me do aka.
My dear no pe.
Ayo, me wo pokua so na no ka se.
Me too.
Oman no kwaya ba pe. Teacher for no. Laptop ni ade ade o mo ka ho ase no bi nsan nyanka de. But the message Oman FPP on. Ye no kwaya eye ba akopɛ. Asante register say maybe because Asante member me see me Asante gabe. Oba Asante regional. Uswa Oman kuma uwa kwa no. Tisa MP ni wi omo ko so so omo ye gidigidi no. Opa akofa so bi. So hu se ko so gidigidi bi mu a. Kwa abere ye se obi bo Francisca so bo no. Francisca for lobby kwan from road minister mo akwata. Na so wanya wa ampira me yankwa ya. Francisco wa yan hwe gi na o ma me ka sem we Asante region for mo money now NDC dey o mu ni option because actually your road minister no deputy no o ko the first time definitely politics no me so mo ni mu no mo ni mu no mo ni so o ko first time you push them na road minister o be road minister Asante region road so ba ko so pa wa preja ko ko jump ko road minister ko mu ko mo ko road no technique. The police will move your plan, and this same movie. Yeah, you're going to do. You're about 12 of them, Alan.
Yo, I've a Frantoni Pan, you know. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Uncle.
Yeah, and Pacha Windy.
And Pacha from Nanosu.
Nanosu free.
Nanosu Adama.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene Yaw.
Why nie?
Oman 2 p.m. inside my chair Abona Aksa.
Mami till 2 p.m. Kawasem.
Oman now only there.
Namina dum.
What are no biso bege do after mama why? Ni mum na meje.
Kawasem.
Oman dey behind this original chairman na kwesi will be Ashanti region on about Dr. Sapon. Mama ntia mo pa message Joanna Pia Jumano pe.
Okay.
Yeah, better. Share school sem no. Yes, bia obi ka bi bia bindi. Ba o mind. And near man ekwa to education sector no enye fe. Enu ti na ye sere. Omo mu ne mamo maye. O ma hwe bronya yi ahotira ye wo mu yi. Ye nkwa yi se ko school. O ma ye bro. Betimi e chipra dia the whole day wa ka. Mata e be attach do kwa wotiri yete. Ahotira be ni. Ye betre na nado dan kwa akufuado. Na nado ba no bo sha wo se ni se ga utam health insurance card kra. Aga ti bi e di ko KFC di kodidi. Ba amata.
Obiase wo de Ghana card enche bia wetin dey free car kantata ne car sen yo Ghana har na obusa ba obiase Ghana card wetin dey free emutu okra ye do bia dey bia se do o se emutu okra dey free o Ghana na dey go free car. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omanhene.
E ba cho wande. Hello. Oh. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wine.
Pacho from Akosi.
Akosi free.
Pacho Mekasa.
Accra. Mami Tiano pay. Ashanti region, get ready. Akosi Kasa.
Pacho. Me offer stay in school, meaning school in India.
School bay.
So Antwa senior high.
Antwa,
So last year, then I almost started to invest at your meeting. Now, meeting, I have let's have another meeting or meeting.
Inti suggest no matter the some of another the base you move on. I will phone your account. Don't go see after only no at that kind of thing to young too. Say me ban over 2. And so yet you are going to be I want to senior high. Yet your PAC every term be me just an annual friend. I say, our teacher for now, Mama, and yes, they say, mobile with your registration in my next year. 1,000 Ghana.
Registration for the
registration for SSC.
SSC, I buy a tier registration. Obia no tier registration fee. I buy a tier registration. I'm phoning in that. Wafakano. Me named school I do registration fees this year. To the best of my knowledge.
I said, me son wants to know, the man in Feno confirm. I in a good week on feminine friend.
Okay. All right, I'm in Faucia. Asante region. Ma Yentie Monsoso. Video call. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Omanhene. The patrol made the George, Mikasa free, Agneja Masi.
Okay, my Yentie one pay.
Omanhene kakra na mpesa me kafa free teachers no only say aban na ya ade say what they buy but me hu ni sense she no awoye na amwa all because of say aban ni iskasa de crowd ma teachers no a na headmasters no a aduane no mo de beto nti ada na aban ne district no an communicate no man pe baabi no man ye ekuya bi te sentos ne bro ni sa no man no di feed schools na district bia school bia no e mo no mo fam feed school no dan say aban ne be chase kana ma headmasters no mo koto no man no kwa ma koto no sope na the end of the day na ekwamode school for no na awofo ni complain say o man no school no free education nye ne sa no man no this a me subject ni say
Minia
Omanhene
aban no eniane ne yetoto no kra no eje teacher for no omo de ama buffer stock and a buffer stock for e de ama suppliers enti ka wo suggest no de ke de pa senka e bi a district no kra no ma do ma fu ma bro mba yire mbibia aban no e the only 20% of sika ye de beto top pen papers e de sa ne ma na ma teacher for no aduane omudi nyina no buffer stock for any suppliers no na de ba enti headmasters nensanim why
yeah why mate
let's see. Okay, Asante region, here we go. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Am I in the show?
Mamin Tiwa no pay.
You wait there. Wow, this year, Kojanchi. Do you want to friend me? Nijina, woman here. I saw that any pay. I mean, woman. I mean, one pie from my lawyer, Obria, boy, I can't miss you.
Obria, body, oh, wow.
They say, we say, on the night, let me go the but Topasa, a fellow from my Kuta, and it's just to be for.
I now you saw the catastrophe for AstroTurf.
20th year.
Now, you want a Subi Asempak. You want to be that. Over catastrophe near AstroTurf, Asempak.
Just say you soon watch it.
Oh, there be. Oh, be on the MP crown way away.
Me say, the person you must be for no. Say, I'm missing that. Ya missing that, papa.
Easy. Obri abo ade easy. Masa.
Ana o mai message me da. Do ye bia no. We dey kotodo ku fam. Betai. Lawyer obri abo achi.
Mo mama official invitation on.
I can't be also.
Weekend we go chroma. Meba.
You any 20th no.
20th so meba.
Education minister.
Asemhene Fantinu Tane Matisa to suffer ahemfuni nyina.
Respect because omuni wa yeni ho. And then info. And no matter if what to is up for me, you know, so many other today.
What's the education minister?
What's it?
Education minister, I am telling my uncle.
Education minister. Papa, no one woman thing. Papa, no one thing, Papa. Oh, say, Obi Owa, who did be selling, sir? He did Koswa, Obi, and Yankan, Samokaka, Chester, Pasotos, you need to turn woman. When you the free. So when to Sekaya, when Tosso. Went to ya, went to it. 1824, any ticket. And won't be able to the papa no. Papa no will be papa. I am one.
May I say, boom. Hello, good morning.
Man, good morning. Now,
what's your wine ye?
I told your friend Sylvester, make a free man kind so.
Mammy Tiano pay Sylvester.
My, it was a pass, we programming. Nyankopon shall no more ahoden tem ya na utimi fa Ghana enko ani mo ti se na to Ghana ya wo to Ghana no mama men ka timbi I say MPP aban o ma ya tie pa o mo do mo de by nipa entime it's like into before you need I am and I surely you need mama ka sim je you need like en kanya de
I say ya eboni I be say
yeah, I say you short memory. My mama can't say, Tama, ye go school, pa, ye go SS. Busiana, ye mamma, Mukobo, ya, don't know what ye go. Bimukra, no, Muya, dear 10 year class teachers, and what young go Adam skate. Now, so, in fear, very soon, ye real fisher, not your mamma, for you, be Munku school.
Depending, Kaya.
Hey, young man, no, for you be young Cusco, no more academic China, but maybe it's Chinese here. No more academically China, and not see the mamma was one like me the make questions. Let's make me West Granamedica as still America school fees. No medical school fees, I don't know, Munku Pia, the registration fee, Bram parents and a BPA registration fee. And so, registration fee, BBL, or by now Fanina, and then you can link you or touch your boss, they are prospect of but previously now, school fees, no, that's not to have your money in Raka. What is it?
Not to say, I'm from Sia. Hello, my volume, my near man of my wife. Miss Alma, TV no volume, no call for Mammy.
Hello, mine.
TV volume, no, do no wine.
Hello, mine.
Metal come about volume, no call for why.
Hello, mine, good morning.
Morning, let's say.
Me hope you pronounce way.
Baby Tiano, Pebu, so when you're Japan. Miss me feel you pa. Baby Tiano, pay Cassim.
No, mine, na. Me, Yojima, Okufuado. Oh, Okufuado by no. You say. The okay na obetumi ayere amaye na so keti ana wobubu osoro no wobubu awiu na so nim lebeson amanaja ho akọ na so okufo ayi mahama bae keti ana wo ho no onya vim ebebu na ema no ebufuye se omumamumbu mo obubuyi waye ne kama maye na so obeja ho akọ haye pa ndese kuma se de se we de o ti si ho ma yanse na wakọ
okay.
Oh, I say you need to na manfo so ensem so na eden otumi ye ke jama yansa na office
okay
oh emboa ama aban na owo akruma oduvu ahakra no ono onfo obi ahu aho overhead bi o ye okruma ha no Omanhene ubohu a wa oba fikeke ebe se the whole Africa de won hwe betop enam ewiem saa na ekọ oh
na Cote d'Ivoire mo want to say
your Omanhene. Maybe ba has 6 years in the Yantu Lolo Femun da. Baso Ghana de Bia Bressa. Fine.
Oh my goodness.
Ya Bressa, Ghana ya Bredo. Ghana for Angasa ya Joy no ya Casado do. Obi minim. We so la se minim we, no obu ni nua saa.
they be a French born say it's more than Ghana for it more than. Oh, almost a Ghana for to a mission, the Biomucatres, now so Ghana for some prayer master. Yenim bibi Ghana de yenim bibi Nyankopo wa tia adu ba nso no ase yenim dodo ampo Ghana de Nyankopo shira yo
but
Nyankopo shira ye yenim bibia.
Good morning. Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho Wendy.
Me Pacho me din the Hamza. Yes,
Hamza mami too.
Me that's by Mr. Haven. Na me mo about na me cha on me for Elvis or say me Santa Pa. For no Southwest. Na che be gani a oba fufuro no. Na me Saudi. Na honorable Kwabena Usiadioni. On say just so oba fufuro pa. Na Mr. Boakye. Mami cha for movement. Honorable John Alan Kojeche Martin. Ono so mami cha pa. Na ni bisane say nti asantimantem ha project ben pa na ebetumi di ense tie so we die ye kon ye wi de sene infection dia was from me hoyi on say na say ye ne for do hom na ho futa ye for do na mo so mbaba ye
MPP project ba akukọ enu amatem nsa free ho
anta mi bi sai Dabi
baku say
enter me beside one I project here you dey start kapa say we dey wi Obeka airport Obeka some interchange Obeka
bia ye nto aso
aha madam that nam ka so ubisa
mesi mu ni bi
aha intino yes sir regional minister company so mumra no mumehwe Asantiman because Asantiman provide many votes. Votes can see over 1 million votes and at 1.7 votes. And I think MPP Tiabam. Not the project Bakumpo, you're better to Yanswa. What's the one yet? With the consumer marketing, we could do one at the first year, especially not doing the 4 times over 10 years. Let's say state proper market issue. Now you're Kobo and Crying Lamport. Nana say President Kufado, time of infuso, and then example cut short. Let's say young development Diawo, I one island port. There's a film.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Am I in it? I frame a morum Casafa, you're such a dumase.
Morum, I'm into our pay Kawasa.
Pacho, baby, I could father ne, a large daughter, Mahmoud about me, or Michio Munina, actually MPP for Nina. For education on some almost a Ghana for the brother Yatakasa Katia NDCT minus Sonunka Yasa we be Ananka Kufa Dubai and Sonanka or the Atoswa Seka Ghana Yakoya Nim. Wahon in Ghana for say your mamma Ghana for a short memory. For education mid Donyami said a boy Ghana for near easy. For education a boy Ghana for papa. And the Ambaka to us will say, Inshallah, 2025, incoming President Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Baba, what you want, Mapana, Akufa, the Abba Manu Sono.
Hello,
good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'm here watching. You because you watching me and the cafe. You need them identity. I'm not watching assemblyman Himayan. Assemblyman letter area. Number one. My media they can say the nominate me Hamza I shan't read the Nana I'm open for free or did you crack a crayon? When you
hello, good morning.
Good morning. I can't hear you now. What to say?
Auntie, I'm here now, so I'm in Tiwano.
I'm here. So, my Pacho, Hello, you program when you do a program. And you can never say anything. I'm still, and you can say, I don't understand. That's the plan that we need to get the money. This is the money of the economy. I tell you, what I saw them do, you can come back. And I know who said that. It's still like that. I'm not sure. It's a limited school. It's a friend of the telephone, no one tell about it. And the then, it's no one. I want to live. And now we are, and now we are saying, you let me know you guys. That's the whole problem. It's how we do now. Okay.
Mate. Hello, good morning.
Inshallah. But never be president office. Omanhene Yaw. Edu Boakye.
But your mama too, when ye?
Wandaruma. Edin Biswaye, Junior Baumia.
Okay.
Man, so I'm talking to the Conquer this in a bullion.
Mama Tiano.
You didn't come on some contact. Now, lawyer Obria Buanana, you have a quadrilla, I cannot tell me. When you say, oh, should be in Saturday, Ladiadma, or that kind of thing. I'm a person. If you have Ubiaba, and then chair, education minister, I'm quite dead. Only Frank, not penny. Me and Emma, and I say, do a town, the sort of Emma students, a good school, and no more a Casacacra. That's it. Last year, and I didn't know smart parents are among my eco school, for daughters or motor. At those meadow, a huge sum of money. 80 about a tea, and I hear education minister at tea, and I don't see a bad tie. Someone say, I then also, a 10 year, who is cool. Let's say, when you don't want to, other schools about home for, and I didn't like it to it. But I don't want to talk to Adena, a man of town, sir, for sort of name. A woman who say, Yaguma Modia, and it says, can I come over to the door? Few know a mammoth aboard them. Let's say, can I hire a independent and Cophobia? So when you want and some double money you can. I didn't say yes, sir, because yet Ghana had a COVID-19 by it. Sanitizer near the boy fresh, no. Yes, 150%. I couldn't buy say, Sergeant over here, I might have a pack. And when you I want to have the bar say, you will be on Tobino, Minia. A movie I can call 15 cities. You are near 150%. And then you win. And I kind of
okay, my brother, thank you very much. Independent video, my water, and pay infantry just property electronics. And a soya senator, me